Ketheka ni wirigiro bwakwa nwithirite uri na Jumapili njega narua tariki 9 mweri Jojo 11 mwaka ni 2025 bita wa kabwe mutharimi na mubango jo ni rumuri rwa siasa narua tukiaria yegie munini wa rais Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki ni mwaka jumwe nyuma ya ai kunyumuma gujukia na gukarira giti kia munini wa rais ndigorone ya Kenya rungu rwa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza itongeretwo ni rais William Ruto bobo ajire nyuma ya kugitine na njira impeachment Rigathi Gachagua na igitenera jwa kia giti ari munini wa rais DP Kindiki niro kwari na muthutira mururumo jwambe mbithi thuki Gen Z bakionania kurega kunganiro kwao ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza itongeretwo ni rais William Ruto agicamania na mathina ya jatari jawe rira atari munini wa rais na gututeithia kwethira tukithuya utongeria bwawe ni jari kwethirite akithithia na kinya karata kiuthike siasa tugita na mbere 2027 turi na MCA wa Akithi Mwenda Ithile na uri munini wa na uri mutongeria baraba nini kiri county assembly ya Meru turi na bwana Ichenga nwe wa abisa kiri obisi ya munini wa rais Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Karibu sana. Karibu sana bwana Ithile.
Asante.
Bwana Ichenga.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm well. All about you?
Ni ngonde salama.
Bwana ndo bagongwa toganyo huko. Inkwira mudhikiria jambo. Tuandamane mpaka mwisho.
Asante sana. Na karibu Meru TV.
Okay.
Bwana Ithile. Karibu sana.
Asante.
Utimu eni medone ya Amero. Uri aspirantinya wa giti kia senator.
Thank you na Amero bonde nkubakethia na arabare nyoba watu ni bandu kinyani tuomba kwaranĩria tuomba kuwetane pamoja.
Asante sana. Onbita wakabu mutharimi bwana Ichenga turi ariria yegie your boss Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Yes.
Na kuumba kana ate kuumba?
Thank you. Eno kiuria ku ijoga gwa gukurukira ndu gwitagwa appraisal, staff appraisal. Yani mtu akwandikite ukanenganira maoni maku kana judgment yaku kuhusu murutire wa wira wa mtu uyu. Antu bara bomba wa appraise Kithure wa Kindiki ibairi mtu mora bomba wa appraise Kithure wa Kindiki na appointing authority bosi wake President William Ruto. Mtorongi bomba wa appraise Kithure wa Kindiki mwananchi. Appraise wa Kindiki kuma wa president na 100%. Ruto all the time nuga ende akona deputy ukumba wira akwerewa gutwika mutetheria wa president kuimanisha ata akwerewa kugwatithania nthi national unity kuimanisha ata akwerewa international diplomacy akwerewa grassroots mobilization yani kumobilization antu kimashinani na akagwa no kenera muno kuwe na deputy umuthomu kumukuruka akauga Ruto akauga ali at peace with himself ende numuganire akiri yake sawa na ndo munini wake Professor Kithure wa Kindiki na kuruta wira bora kwa ni munini wake batikuruta ati witia shares cia ukabira ati kuvuga thirikari igitangwe kima mageu makini migongo uyu president appraisal ya mwananchi wali mwandiki ura wandikite Ruto mena Kindiki and elected leaders yani ne elective offices occupied nwe kuma all through ti ile kana Kithure ali deputy kuma ya Kithure atwika mutongoria wa siasa kuma lindo majority kuthiari speaker mwanga deputy president mwanga minister wa interior mtu wa Kenya is comfortable na Kithure Kindiki na wa is best na wa endi bakona bena deputy president na mwana mwana bogaga gitumike thirathiru cia andu acio kabira na mwana mwana mwananchi na bogaga all the time na tumagira mugambo kaba Kindiki wanarira boragwa no gutiwo bicindire aka community yaraganirwa bogaga kaba Kindiki bawura no gadi polisi gacharwa kaba Kindiki.
Bwana Ichenga, you've made your point ili ngenda kwa maoni ya bwana Ithile kuhusu urutingoge bwa Professor Kithure Kindiki kinya bwana Ichenga akiwa appraisal kwa ni rais ndinya ni mwananchi na rais inya batu eto part of citizen mwananchi kinya leaders ya bwana Idile na idira arena
and baba ndele nyombe no I want to be understood Idile Ichenga mudhalimi mukulu tawata
bwana Rams
na binda boy wananchi tafadhali yaani kama wananchi utie mtu ndati outside nyomba ino
bwana Idile Kithure Kindiki inya rais akimuthura na ari na munini ungi oke wetawari gathi Gachagua na rira athura Gachagua akiri speech yake auga nkona mtura ambubithia ngugi nkona mtura nkanda ya guoko urankomenya tugaitania nwe na mbere kugarura nthiguru kiuchumi na kiwiti na mbere yakinya gita yakahalukire nukona yaka Kindiki akumba kana atikumba kana inyawe 2027 chuma imotoni.
Thank you, my brother. Mbera buruka mbue Professor Kithure Kindiki muchorokwa. Na kambue ya stride na gereti. But nontungwe professor kanangwe deputy president ni support. Principal assistant ombozi okay President William Ruto. Na gerete kuthithia bora munene omwire athithia no ethire tu satisfy antu betu no ethire tu satisfy Amero but he has done proposal ka omwire athithia Professor Kithure Kindiki tu mwana Gachagua nendete funjo as a principal assistant gwathigira munene oku pocho upwa pocho kubria
there is always a balance between loyalty and fulfill expectations sia your region nonto Gachagua inya ukiuga fujo kiraugaira ni ati gutungatira mobatu na mabatara ya bongwa batumire wa gite kiu kulingana na arithmetics cia gisiasa na nibo auga angukinyiria bae wakira bati kwendera bakewa nukona yaka balance delicate loyalty na expectations cia region kindikia kumba kwendera ki balance kana gemete muno rotere rwa loyalty akaulwa ni barabongwa batumite endera adani tugitia kinonto bwa political arithmetic
ambu atre Kindiki aina challenge enene muno oya bo puti loyalty na renchoni yake na araumite yes that challenge no Kindiki is too loyal to president okay but in araumite anto ba mumple non to people expect development kuma kithirikari nene kwa this region Meru na Tharaka Nithi batu kwa Kindiki mwanetu na itu mwendera mantu amega lakini kwa kintu kimwe bwana imutharimi kabwe kwa kintu kimwe kabwe ndira we of late ndira we kia kwendira to can discuss issues about government ya President William Ruto na Kithure Kindiki. There are irreducible minimums non to kwena promises inyingi and we ending the term katukwende the term. So oni demu choro professor na aimuntu etu kwigentu kumambe ndo mwira kinya members of parliament ndira bakudulunga kaba kugerio fight na ground area unsatisfied. So kinya tukalazime vyantu atia without those promises being fulfilled otebu kaombe kabana kabwe. So what Kindiki aburite kuthithia ikwari na mbozi okay amwira mbaki andeke they have made so many promises na mutethia chi fulfill kenda bagwethira ina basket ya antu bawe bagwinjivunia muntu etu no tukintukira mutongori kintukira thara ina kyo kana kirenda irone antu in development nothing else tukowa muntu etu ariku kenda turete development. So Kindiki ati arata delicate position a loyalty na development na lazima ong'ente agachagua ti lazima orire ong'entere ona development kinya okang'entera munene ogu no oreka ona development so yes a challenge kindi as a person aina challenge irainio na bundu ngwa ne itarara convince mbosi oke kethira mbosi oke na kwenda aina haja na political career ya NDP kindiki na burito muretera development at the backyard yeke kenda omba kuthikirika no ndukiongoza that na development atithikirika
sure na bwana Ichenga no kwararia yegie major achievements cia Kithure Kindiki kuma aikwewa na aikunyumuma gutwika munini wa rais nthiguruni ya Kenya ni buriko major milestone ombiga kwithira ukigweta bura ombike kuga nabo abumanitie na influence ya Kithure Kindiki kiri thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Thank you. Mbambe mbega kiria pending. Mbambe ndete narrative kidogo mwanya. Na bura bwana ithiriwa. Mandu mabu ama challenge ya loyalty na interest region. Nkwenda kwira muthikiria. Atiri muntu wetwa member of parliament. Muntu wetwa senator. Muntu wetwa women representative. Muntu wetwa MCA. Muntu wetwa governor. 5 andu babu ibetigiritie mia kwa mia kuruta wira magigagira pressure na bindi ya gintura yani beseragia regional development non to the regional representatives senator regional representative mujumbe regional representative governor regional servant and governor is not a representative yes people represent themselves before the governor in the regional. We made up a regional representative. We can do as interest regional ciao to parliament, to senate, to the authorities above them. It's your way that here elected members other than the presidency. Deputy president, Nambuzi wake president, the regional representatives. The worst that you can do to a country. Toka enda kwa ragani ndi uri no kabisa. Ito yuwa na deputy president ukwari ndeto chia dhiru gaiti. Only. Agari ndeto chia wa munyoro. Only. Agari ndeto chia mukodhima. Only. Just a moment. Just a moment.
Someone comes from somewhere.
Give me a right of say. Give me a right of say.
Nakiri
Mbetegeria bwana kabwe. Bandi vance my argument. You don't have to agree with it. You only have to listen to it. For as long as it is not breaking the law. Iko kuira the worst law than Kenya. Ikureka deputy president agari ndeto chia kwao chionga. Deputy president national symbol ya unity na president. Na emblem sio that's a national authority. Na tafadhali meatwenda kuchokia parochialism ira yareaga ira yaguganga itukwenda shares mundu ririkana teno aguga mbarasi yalo yote na nyamungi na juti. We have a former deputy president who has publicly confessed akawa wengwa anarugama enda kwa the president shot akaona kanywa yake I don't know akaruga I think it's just brutal mbutuka nombe to mtu violent president yakaria na iro just a second ndira kwa arudhe to mugomo wa jensi ya to arudhe to mugomo wa jensi kabwe for as long as I was held in silence for you are young key I never thought a word allow me I be held in silence please ende de kuira to na etende deputy president yakidi Ruto twenda general zira president Ruto akaruta national speech in Nairobi. Gachagua akaenda Mombasa kuruta an alternative speech I contradict president. Okaya kuwera no itawa deputy president kana utuika principal assistant Kindiki atiumbora. Kindiki kinyoka mutiri ni hata ati contradict the boss ola. Na Kindiki na weta wengo and I could obeying the boss is the easiest thing to do. Yani kwa thikira munene ibundu bwara isi mono kuruda. Ende twetere Kindiki ba kiri wiri ino chinge chio except regional parochialism no to win deputy president twa ntura ya mukodhima twa Meru twa Mount Kenya no Kenya yeyo aisabu Kenya with equity unity na ichuga consolidate ndiro yonde bura yari kwaragana no to regional issues na shareholding ichoka kuwatia nwele yamwe. What are the achievements Kindiki
before kinyage achievement
yes no meano kumburi the achievement
battles yes bwana Ithile kwithira ukithetera antu barabongwa batumite withira ukiwagitikira wei nonto politics is a game of numbers na lazima withire gita methene ukawa I have this much numbers irambiite nacio nyuma ekwa. Is it being parochial kwithira ukithetera region eku kana ukithira balancing between loyalty and also kwithira ukitungatira na kutegera mobatu ya barabongo batumite kwithira ukiewa gitikiu?
Thank you bara buruka buge bora my brother kuga oni nkoreana na statement cia nkoreana na character Gachagua. I don't support what Gachagua did to his boss. To support bu completely. Na ibonto mbwerenda gwa Kindiki aina right ya kwa loyal kimbosi yake. But now operating in a delicate position. Nonto ai loyal kimbosi yake aina nara umite. My brother, the fact is that talking in 2027, politics is local and politics is regional. You want to kuona atongore baki group na regions. You want to ina inkomea kabweki ke discussion issue ke chairman to ya Nyanza. Nyanza iba kwa fight but to replace Kindiki. Because politics are regional. The only person muntura eto Kenya yonde a president. Though Kenya then deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Aina nara umite. Ayoke to president ni kendareta certain basket of votes. In Kenya, that's how politics are. Na we go to candidate na ruare Professor Kithure Kindiki. Na burita kwithira kwambia kubanga region yake. Tutugwa karwa munene. Kwi gintu kumomburenda watiri. Iga gwithia number 1 ya President William Ruto. Na kwenda waka Kithure Kindiki. Na kwenda Kithure Kindiki amuretera basket of vote. Then Kinyawe aburito omwaka and development. Tayo gavita Nyanza. Raila itare Uhuru Kenyatta. Raila batai kega development Nyanza na Uhuru Kenyatta. Kenyatta before Raila akwa batare kega na William Ruto. Neto Raila da authority development Meru. Anatoromba president kuracha president Meru. So every leader has a region nara umete. Na nara umete nyeda ateta anga public anga antobeto ba ombetia anga inkwanda wikiri antobeto. You do your own mathematics for your own future. Not to know okay, your political career. So Professor Ibu abureta kuibanga. Akamea na uchini ya maji. Na kwenda tamak. Na kwenda nduwakarenji mutindwa. Na kwenda manto ya maingi. Akathithia chini baina mbosi okay. Sure. And those projects happen. Dai tukona Nyanza, tukona Western, president akilaunch tamax. Sure. Why not Meru Mbaki and deputy president?
Na bwana Ichenga, ukadira okay add something to what you're saying, kidia in a rebuttal, and then ukadira okay elaborate on the developmental scorecard ya Kithure Kindiki. Ira umirite aikudira muno region ira umirite.
Thank you. Mbere ma, utiendu tuka discuss Kindiki. Tutaku discuss Ruto. They are not two different offices. Ira no bisi mwe. Yetawa the presidency. Obisi ni to the presidency ye na principal na assistant wa principal. Principal Ruto, assistant principal Kithure Kindiki. Ko uri atuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Ega ka thoko ya iti ndiri milioni ya koromoni. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa ni waka kilometers of tarmac Meru. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikuga ni streamline SHA. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikuga mantuma transition kuma 844 ko the CBC system of education. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa lidia mantuma fertilizer na subsidy na kuendamia bei ya fertilizer. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa lidia SHA. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa lidia mukothi mamya mponi road. Ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa lidia kariene kuthina arabwa malimba tamaki. Ya thirikari ya Kwanza kwa lidia thoko ya Kianjagi. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza tongeretwe the presidency. Ruto Kithure Kindiki. Utiendu tukanengera Kithure Kindiki credit ari wenka. Tukanengera Kithure Kindiki credit bena Ruto because who is the boss? Ruto. Who gives Kindiki assignment? Ruto. Who sends Kindiki to Brazil? Ruto. Who has allowed Kindiki to do the empowerment programs at the community level? Ruto. So whose credit is it? Ruto na Kindiki. Bye bye. Utiendu separate ndu bebari credit na Kindiki ari wenka. national stability no tukwenjwa ndi ndo achia kuvutana kiukabira ko nirindiru unity ndu ya reto kindiki naruto yoko na sikuru cia ruru gathoma mwaka ukaingwa ende wo KCSE ni kuba kwina peace Kenya undu burende to ikindiki naruto there is no day they separate. That is point number 1. Point number 2, mbuge nga insist so much utiro to gareta kindiki kiri regional parochialism is a symbol of national unity when a president. The equivalent of uba na idira kuga the equivalent ikuga Ruto anjeria kuga wena ile maendeleo Rift Valley Kericho Eldoret atino kwao Ruto ntuira kanjiria kwa rio omenyo ntu Ruto I miss the point no ntu munene wa nduguru yo now baba ngi bakaruta wira mbi tende yo no akithi tu uyu mite akithi MC wa akithi so kenda kithura yakwa ndeto cia akithi na to kaigwa mwende biria kirutha na to kaigwa mutumwa to thingia kirutha na to kaigwa kathuri murungu akirutha na to kaigwa who is the umerep mwari yo wanani wa ntere tabata karambu na to kaigwa kirutha kenda kindiki kana Ruto aya kuga specifically to kwenda tinga irima akithi what do you remember be doing ndakwira antu bali oku baitigiritwe morally na legally na politically kwa regional politics ta MCA MP senator umerep
na
ende tu president kana deputy
bwana Ichenga itonete prof kedore kindikia gitithia na mbere mutaratara jwa empowerment gunto dena ndigorone ya Kenya ndi gwithirite jogwe kuthurango ikuthu muno eti atungiri yake ba upinzani indi Kenya economists bakiwa it's not economically sustainable akana a viable idea ya gukiria mugongo na itonete yaka mutaratara jo kinyeri breki kathikirire maoni yau kana kayotare mutaratara yo kiguni muno kiri kana yari a political tool
ende yankwire bwana Kabwe ndiguru andu batitiga kwaria na andu baragia kuringana na araba karinde tende wewe wagu karika kuye wewe agu kari ndio muntu agakuretera nguo mubuto kiratu shati tai kola agoretera nguo ciothe ciina equivalent ya value ya shilingi 500 ukigwa socks cia 20 vest ni ya 50 shati ni ya 75 ndio ndio agoretera shilingi 500 agu kalika bwi muntu uyu mumena ukamudharau no ndio imbia tamanda etera nguo cheap we muntu uyu kwenda agoretera nguo no akagoretera suit tanu wikirite suit yo kinyano wangi no 5 cieri 6. I want to tell you no kwe mtu wirira nguo ya 500 aga appreciate so much aguga baina ngai aciaria Kabwe uyandethera nguo baina ya ndathia ntengu. Now who are the people saying empowerment ni mbega kana timbega muntu ragu empowerment urakuthugania kunengera mwana wa kawaida umenda form 4 kana kila city urakuthugania kumunengera bikibiki ti useful muntu uyu akali nkari yake aiye maisha ma muntu mankari muntu raguga kunengera antu jamonge car wash machine ti useful gutuka wewe ngwa mwenu ngaranji ende atiere wa mtu yuna atiri touch na reality ya little things that touch a life positively. In any case our role model na kuya the president Moi Kibaki zero rating Kibaki no ambiro zero rate motorbikes if you can remember. Why was this zero rating then? So that many people can afford them.
Are you creating that policy with Mr. Maniere ya bieni na
I'm coming to respond to that. If you could only be a little patient with me. What Kibaki was doing then, you the man to buy a fund. The regard of that project type series. Kuri hand project, you know, with the handware, you're now one to bond in the public engagement mono. Now go see get soft, it on our tendency, the regard they know. Ekaruda very intensive software ya computer. Watu kila mahali ni wifi wana mtu mmoja wake anakuruda wifi. Project yenu na katura muntu atayitumira wifi kana mtu atamuthamutire icio na tayitumira indi ramuthamutira kwa nayitu indi thirikari saba kantu bonde itonga ibi appreciate level yao ya twalirie taxation regime ya itonga twanjirie trade imbalance twalirie kuroa import duty ini ende turi address itonga tukaya twandress mindurukirasi nata muremie akurimanga fertilizer ni mire ngirimo kwanja yacoka ngisi na mwana watano muremi no tereka tukenda makinya muntu lungura muremi tukioria oka ura stoko yake biashara yake yonde total capital ingiri I protected the state to QI to get the opposition leaders of opposition ta baba political parties opposition to kill the baba ngono na baba wananchi baba ngo taxation niko ba favor no to serikali and I will let you know unlike the opposition you kaya serikali emundu no to opposition ya ndago ta serikali gitini ile ni opposition ya mtu wapinzani president nwe na serikali you kaya opposition vice citizens just the way they are tuko bati ko basabu both ko sabu supporters na opponent ndio to government to unleash a lot of force against opposition. Non to citizens, na taxpayers bandeguluriko. That is where the thin line between opposition and government is.
Yes, that's where the thin line lies. Bwana Idile, na
thank you very much. Thank you very much, Bwana Idile. You are a good listener.
Tukia radio man to.
Anani ukaraga ki. Wale ikenda jika kwa. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Tukia radio man to ya DP Kithure Kindiki. We cannot divorce him from the program Edilete Akiringira Debe ya mutatarajwa empowerment. Was that how was that program able to elevate cost ya living kiri mu Kenya? Nonto kira gatumire beombithi nduki jenzi baitoria barabarene nonto kwa mpangaratano ya kiuchumi nonto kwa kwethira gutena mbeca mukone na kwethira mboto ya upinzani itongeto ni the late CGH Raila Odinga baikira mwanga chuburia kiongo na empowerment yethira idea ya kithirikari ya gukiria mwananchi ukirogera mutaratara ya kithirikari yoringero debe your bottom up. How viable was that project? How kana project ubando kithira ireo?
Thank you bwana Kabwe. Mbere buru bando anga insist deputy president comes from Meru. It doesn't come from the whole Kenya. Amantu amaingi nye president Ruto agenda kuthithia onto Rift Valley. Atetawa na kwenda kuthithia kathithakia. Kenyans wethirite by complain on appointment. President Ruto atetha TV na even a single day. Awana kwenda appoint antu pa region yake. No kako appoint ito yuko na appoint antu pa region yake. The same case but tuena deputy president umete Mount Kenya East kana umete Meru na Tharaka Nithi county nonto twinda tu Meru emwe but we tuwete kutatu field government no kona antu fanatically bagather by support their son in the government nonto muntu na antu bo whether umete ku kana ku muntu na antu bo nonto then no mangato angry President William Ruto want to sacrifice all leaders from Meru. No to an opportunity kwa mwana wa yuki deputy president. Lakini DP Kithure Kindiki atina choice ya kwa no yuki ongai president. Now Ameru leaders ba Meru no bangero no to promises cha thirikari. Both the MPs na DP. Nondo ba promises ya thirikari promise tanto ba Meru. So ibon kwenda gua DP abureta kwaraniria na mbuzi okay. Amura mungerera kiroto kya siasa. Nondo aina kyo aturetere maendeleo. Beke mubango ya empowerment program. Mubango yo to me tikwa hayo ari na issue muno. Nondo kwa mtu mwa orerie Como tomar datere non anto baita State House banenkrombe chanara State House. Awa anto bakurambia cha barabara. Amura yes no we bakurambia cha barabara. But no gwirire mbecha ira bayero cha burita kwa kubwithia barabara. Cha burita wita na hangi. Cha barabara ichi ibwithia mbi barabara. So ishira anto baithire baini ona manto empowerment. Igwethoro tu bakona thirikari ikithithia meaningful project. Tekwa abapinga empowerment program. Yes, mbecha ira no itethia mwakuru ikundine. Onto kinyao ni bethera nge empower kina mama na arao kona symbios cha kina mama. No itethia kina mama te banking ira no te batu tabamberere te banking. Ibo bona wena umuhimu na bambe ate banking bari kundi. So mbecha ira no ibatethia. But now kamundu aichura kiatiri what is being this one is being done at the expense of what ibo kubote kuthithwa ba maana onto bobo kuthithwa ikia gwithira menya ibo ntunkwira ntunkabera atiri however much atongore betu paomba kuthithia michamanio bakiwa 2 term tutina mirandi it will be variant and it will be very impossible. So if you toma anto ndi banje chure ri ni tonto nende to go the empowerment program and to the project to kona 1 2 3 4 5 ikiendelea chekithirikari na nkwire bwana Kabwe ona angry with the President William Ruto they kurakwa tax. I'm an economist na no mwanka tuyuke tax tukuri entetu tuikororo ruare lakini royo twethera twina nthi. But yes, Akenya brava kuria about taxwa. But are they seeing development? And if you jure you chumburantu. If you jure brava kuria. But then empowerment program would have been the best. But while tukona mirandi ikiendelea kwa tukanokanto ndi bako yakurinkompost. Nondo kinyanyota program we. Asola fund ni ambiriri. Ya ambiriri asola fund and I think around 5 billion or so. By then, DP tago de are nini, and DP did well. Kengwe yes internal security, he did exemplary well. Non to atare tied to any person. He was doing his work. Nengwe tekane na my brother Bragwe in the office of the presidency. DP otemo adorana na president. So failures cha president, DP ajikamata. Na ibo dunkuwa nende. Batwe murandi nini wiki akwethira development irio itithire na icio but now andu development bawiti
ukugeta aratu karitwite nayo ni before DP nonto it is part of his history, it's part of his work rare kire gitikia internal security ICS nirio kwari na mururumo rumure rwa Gen Z na igitene riu irio kwari na kuno kwa sheria cia kio mtu ana baurawa ana bawatwa mateka bila sababu na ana baretero inya manjeshi barabarene na bila sababu. It's part of history yake. How do you react to such sentiment rira kire gitekia interior security rira kwari na ana batura bakamatite thimu bendera Kenya na roi indi bakaringwa mbulubulu cia risasi
DP na thithiri mantu ya maana muno oni menyaba na kabo what I do in this life in leadership ambarakia my mind na branko na it was right anto balaumu kinya the late prime minister bago akombitre agency but Raila kata there this country Raila agira kungive in anto bawa Raila getre kuria na Ruto but Raila agira kungive in aka join that agency they ikithira Raila na tatheriente so nonto bana Kabwe weru aroka thawe na ngare utisheria mtu no agwere tino kambeta thinya o witithia muno na nonto na kuombera inya watu no kwa munengera cha bichangare ya tangare watu wa kutina sheria na une oto aitirite the sheria chithira na to tira tokario so ne are sometimes ne are mistake and even to date whether kuna mistake kwa to kanto bara kinyabo ne anto bara muntu ategweri wetaratha muntu askara ategweri ratha muntu waita maandamano ne ratha muntu lakini askari rano ete kwa to kanonya utatege moyo yawe atethera gwira minister o interior ndagwe gora wa murathe na kwa ndombura murathe no ndura kinya save life and some other things ila chiendelea that particular time no to kwari na issues nyingi to save a country wana issue nyingi to save a country you can imagine Kenya ite ara ande imwire on the Southern Sudan on the Somali kwa to kabadi kuro ya kote ungi ote systems chande Quran so issues ila chakolokere I don't think I to bere cho revisit Kabwe nonto kinya manto ya compensation ya vijana baraba jensi ikomanyanisho court na une bureta kusuluhisha court ya kaneneo. So issues nyingi DP tried while he was the internal security minister na gererie nonto kinyathe kwa challenge kinya Rwanda ro itomwita mtu akairitanire buru na ake una appreciate him na ake buru mwanka Rwanda ro kona bibi kure hantu petu na ake there is so much determined wagisha tu utatoka.
Na bwana Idile, we are not revisiting the past.
Interjection kabue. I'm a bit confused. Kuma saidi ya kuwa na kabue. Dero kuwa antoba rudhan demonstrations. But we kira victimized for nothing. Kwa uwa tukatira u. Arangu tukira kwa tukirikisa no. Nkoliwa kana no na mantu amuna saidi yemwe. Nkoliwa no utari kenyera wona ganda kanari bakija bakaine nyambia mtu no tubaine nya mwili bakaine nyambia mtu kaka ikaruka baka computer bakaina sio utaona maguna sio kama utaona kama mkombozi huyo kama nki
hiyo ni 20
utaona basi just a moment
talking about 2025
munene tudalia demos pole pole
Maguna said 7-11 and so on.
Wewe ukavwe na leo
ilikuwa 2025. What I'm talking about,
wewe no use bwana kabwe
kitu naongea wanaijenga nisikize Maguna's 2025 letter you fact
I'm giving you
historical nation wanaijenga
niko nangari historical nation ya kumali ruwa weta minister wa interior kithurwa kindiki kumali tu yete u inda kwira ri Kenya iko wira gantu baumaga micie betu magira mugambo right of assembly constitution right of assembly akia kwithirana antu bumamuci betu magira freedom ya association ende bathiete kuia bathiete kwaragania property ciantu bathiete kubiria matatu bathiete kubiria supermarket bathiete utamanga ndu na ibanga bathiete tunyantu bikibiki bathiete tunyantu nkari bathiete kuruda bagirari robbery with violence rape serious massive crime na ndu bonde bayaga under the disguise ibaite kuruda demonstration baite kuruda picketing ukaguga mandu momugo sendi ukaguga the negative sendi rugi nothing agwende no nyungu twikira wachire kwere
before itana mbere bwana Ichenga bitingiria ngorie kioria
mbere mbori make point imwe
I'll give you time
history ya
you make please bwana Ichenga
no kalo kembura ya leading questions ibyo ngore resist
no si leading question
history ya mtu hapo ni minister wa interior utiwetha history ya kithurwa kindiki bwana idiri utiwetha history ya kithurwa kindiki only ndulu nje ni zero ore yago minkurundi na history ya kithurwa kindiki akithika bandits no drift ore yago thiria kithurwa kindiki kumewetha kithurwa kindiki agireta watam peace nyamugi terrace group iramwa ore yago wona kithurwa kindiki akithira backlog ya issuance ya passport not until you mention all this you will not be fair.
Bwana Ichenga, yes. I'm not criticizing the DP.
Mtu analeza wa wholesome.
Skiza. I'm not criticizing DP.
Yes.
The question you carry about the style of leadership. Non tutorea area mwaka jumwe ai monitorize. Na tai monitorize in vacuum. Na arego ntokonge.
Then we withdraw Kindiki as a minister for interior. To concentrate in DP.
He was also a leader.
Then we proceed wholesale.
Korea tere.
Yes.
Regarding his style of leadership.
Yes.
Arira are CS interior. Ata aririe igitenere uria maandamano ya Gen Z. Na tukithoya style of leadership inya ae munini wa rais. Ichuria biabata bibati kwithira bikurwa. Nonto bora bwakarekere tionto tukugwirirwa. Dimonto kioria kibati kurwa. Tikango criticize monitorize lakini churi bati kurwa ibondu nkora kiatere no his style of leadership inya ke manifest as lare interior RCS igitenere ya Gen Z. Your thoughts on that?
Good. Ende mbamba nkoso statement mo from your head newe kumende kwendelea kipindi nigeke etia gwa 20 discuss kindeke as a DP 1 year
as a leader.
Everyone doing discuss kithurwa kindiki as a public servant the way we know him kuma senator because otito ko nengera kiki na motho untunya na oreo wewe no kwenda do discuss kindiki bana Minister wa Interior. So be it. Ende tito discuss kende kita Minister wa Interior, we blind your mind completely that you cannot remember kende kagediria bandits not drift. You cannot remember kende kagediria bandits of your passport. You cannot remember kende ke agediria watam terrorist. You cannot remember kende ke open border lines. Na create post station certificate. You cannot remember all that. You can only remember Gen-Z riot. If that is how this intervention proceed, I will be in a very difficult environment. Ito ni kana kiage into. Kiaga na keduku, everybody. Tuambe tu watani bwana kabwe ndi tawiria kabwa.
Me have made my point clear.
Yeah, and leadership tare antamusege. Leadership tare bwana kindiki.
Ni onkora area. And that's what you should react to.
Yes. Leadership ya kiduri proactive. Ni issue oriented. Ni akuru ndimina. Yani wewe ngwa kando na instructions yako yumu nene. Wewe ngwa natuma kiro yusu wake na umeba wake kuonania aiwira nyubisi. Wewe ngwa netiga netie na kubuta wira kwina thiri. Wewe ngwa netiga netie na kwathikira munene. Wewe ngwa netiga netie na the strongest the brand ya kindiki ya utongoria yuko consort. Wewe kuna ndio tuone takindiki bwana ithili. Ageta MCs bameru bakari. Ageta nene bameru bakari. Bayo ndolet. Bayo wazirisu. Ba bungoma banako. In one aspect ya sire timudao is not lazy. Kindike atikala kandi winyo wenda bidu president nchudikire nyende buka ambitious. Kindike guests of the office okamwona the lowest part ya coast. Okamwona Kisumu. Okamwona Mambi Kitui. Na huyo bediri badi ya Rwanda Meru. Gakaromoni mwendantu. Ngone itaki kindike mundogu.
Ini hizo
empowerment program. Era yetawa interactive leadership equal engagement jeno utiomba tongoria andu utakoria nabo na utaguthignya kiri the locality ona bo barere no ture kwiro wina Nairobi utie na barabara Meru ukiria rais mtu ina narrative kanini ukiyokethera bypass ukiyokethera thoko ukaria rais ya ona wonu kwira wa maendeleo matie Meru it is not as bad as whoever was telling you was doing it.
Okay,
leadership ya kania listening neo consult nyakorania na bangi na nyakuthi where the action matters.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bwana Ithile, bwana Ijenga akuga ni gwithirite bugitaga rone na munini rice. Na kuna na kiara yeye mirandi yoiti na mbere county ya Meru. Ni Meru wengo akaithira agi makira ngugi iraithirite kiritika through those consultations. Inde is DP Kindiki the face of Mount Kenya, kana the political face of Mount Kenya East?
Bwana Kabwe batwe kataburi tote Kindiki na onire nkwaria by the way Kindiki bwere muchoro ka that was a disclaimer before everything else na kanko motethia with this advice na nyama my brother are an office na thikire ntoira tukware no to politics in Kenya they are changing na bontu tukuwa atiri omuntu aina kwao no the na kwenu ukarewa ukengwa in politics ona ma politician but politicians they are selfish people. Politician either laira kwawe atailage kuongi tware President William Ruto aukira kamenya Meru ete kwanda Kindiki igmurea akono mantu intelligence ya mura yongo atika erone asiasa o anga mantu Meru bakwa tutam intelligence ya mura Deputy President Kindiki ate kwanda Meru ate kwanda Tharaka Nithi you will do a replacement to save is another term akathithe ugenda save term wege aili na ange ombekia kugenda Deputy President kenda omba wita pwega so ibibyo tumambuga atiri bwana Kabwe no mwanga ndipia ibange na ibanga development wise no mwanga ile in terms of development no ndo antubatu bire bakuthetera batu itwetire karani kwa DP to makarani itwetite rundu ni nyumbani itwetite State House na tweta tuchokaira the same issues na batu kintu kithara kiro turi atongore sometimes katothwana kiantu batumi tukathwana itu baume twe leaders tukathwana batu tumi kapsa to lead us. But we are leading brighter people than us. Kana antu clever nkuluki yetu tubatongoreti. Malaga kinya to some point ondakira. Dona nende kinya wiki antu renge newe aigethere thine nene muno. Na obo atongore ba Meru bagerete kori ironda be State House to date. Na ngamba orakia. Bire State House wiki antu State House e territory ya. Na ngamba bi orakia. So idong pugatri DP we safe. Let these promises. Na onte then they no supporting DP. Na oninka mo support mundo te bimbitimendeti. Na nkamwari na no gore na ntato te bimbitimendeti na Meru baichi. Lakini ibundo ngwa this in development kenda tona bila to gwira antu ba to have empty talks about our son Kindiki. To have empty talks. To vera Kindiki is our son. It will support one too. Lakini now DP na is safe from this problem. Development are na munene. No, these are promises that have been done. Ngwana president bo wete baka wo uchumi bwa thoki. But now we have money to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nende erombare yakwa. DP I know him as an industrious person. Na him to teleze bora my brother Agwe Changa. He's a hard-working man. I know him. But inwe system waka wachadha na akarea kumeana tanto baba kuwa. Yabura unto DCP na ntoa now. Yabura hacha ubawa kusikiza ground. DP akarea kumeana tubawa imbi ba wetia. Akailwa. Even our members of parliament ba kailia that iko bui. Nondo kinya alinda ero ama akawa nini reduce minimum wa KDP. Mporo era kuuro. Poro era kuuro. So DP na idharadhare. Mirandira yonde pa promise it. Pa me launch this financial year.
Sure.
And from that point, I want to assure you, again dragging Pinyomeru na dharakanithi na mbueta nambe.
Sure, before biaki we bwana Ishenga no likanie mutegeri eno aidirinya kiuria kiawe gokirukira mitandao ya Facebook @Meru TV Kenya na kiri YouTube @Meru TV Kenya kiuria ku ye utongiria bwa Professor Kithure Kindiki obisine ya munini wa rais tukaithira tukiuria na tukaithira tugite na mbere kumuramura ibai kumurika ni jere kujereka kiloma nyungo bwana Ishenga kuikio
bwana na ribato kidogo tu
na
idile mheshimiwa idile
okay
karibato kidogo sana kwa mantuma idile kwa dimaya is trying to engage his mind in a constructive framework kuri gintu ndi sure idile na ukimenya na ukifeel ende akia mbele ndio wewe ngwaza kama sisi kumrasmi into yeta wale passing the blame, passing the back. The MCA elected, the minority, Akuan, deputy president, Alode. Where we go fast track budget, ya county assembly, ya Meru. We don't know the president, and we don't know we don't know MCAs, but get elected Meru. Where we go, Akisa and Governor Mutuman to Edinkia, Akuruda, the best as a governor. No waka oversight in deputy president answer yari ni dire na other members of the answer ye where we talk kwenda budget iko respond so well kile mahitaji mama wananchi budget no kamira ndene ya National Assembly igithura kindiki ali na elected members of parliament ba Meru na baba ngibumite Kenya Assembly ingi where we talk kwenda accountability ya 12 to 14 billion shillings. Ilazima exeka ikaya Meru County ukurukira devolution. No watu wa account for that money kidura kindiki ali. No imo tu mwante thinkia ye. Now tuamba kuthi na direction yenu idio tukamba tuambe to reduce pressure from the deputy president. Wira cia cio ndhe tutie uthigithia kidura kindiki maigire. Wina wira yethire ali MCA. Wira leo ya kathuri wa Murungi senator. Wira leo ya members of parliament by Komino ba Meru bali elected. Wira leo ya MCAs for the 5 ba Meru elected and maybe 11 nominated. Wira leo ya Muthomi Yuki governor. Wira leo ya everybody wangathurire Apex we point ngona kuweta for information kira yo tabana ni afisa mono kithoro kindi kinari a very serious worker me iwakasi baba tuwe kan discuss utie mtu discuss ana entity kithura ne murutwa ngwe inonto ugara afisa mono otherwise ngaguria questions tuko ni njogeria tu muthikiria we wankuria no ende u ethire na muthikiria deputy president wa Trump eta wata
JD Vance
most likely oja timuye because just a moment I'm on the floor
umeondoa ate umbusu
thank you I'm on the floor thank you very much no the atiumbusu ende ndakwira wana mweguru yakwa na Tanzania
Samia Suluhu
before Magufuli died tutai Samia Suluhu
What is your point?
My point is, you are lucky. You have a deputy president who works, took a notice, took a momenya, so proactively, so effectively, are in the office. Otherwise, the natural thing globally, when a dim to menya who and deputy president is.
Okay.
Now look where you were menya deputy wa Trump.
Fair enough.
That is the point.
Fair enough. Lakini kuigira ngendo react to.
Yes.
Na nikira bwana Idile agwetere. Something to do with presidency. With the presidency is the president and his principal assistant, deputy president, nwe Kidura Kindiki.
Yes.
Empty promises. Mawirane iguru mawirane yatene kinyiro ya urongo. Iyo mwende Idile akwariria. Iyo yate kuingwa. Na ikyo kiboko Kidhuraniri no ni Amiro na Anto Dena Mount Kenya East. To be fair. Kana the region nonto bwa irashiri kathithwa itathithwa yara yeri tukathondeka tumetenga na bando ni mawirane iguru mawirane ira bwana Idile akuwa empty promises mutongeria bati kwithira I keep his word na DP nukona aka keep his word to the people in Meru.
Kamba me correct statement ya ukidogo TDP keep his word. The presidency can never keep their word to the people of Meru.
He is the son of the
soil. Enu kinyaba one bera 100 times. Ukimbira tadurana kidikina Ruto. Enu yitagwa the presidency. Two individuals, one entity. Ende de kwira. Tatombe tutiana na Kenya mono. Tombe tundiru na Meru na Tharaka-Nithi. To assume mantu mama Meru na Tharaka-Nithi to assume no mama Kenyera ye na mama Kenyera yengi kwira mi ewe kiro etekiritwe Meru kwira mi wikiro kwa jire kaliene ithiete ba murito ansa ye kwira mi ewe kiro yumite meomponi ithiete mukothima ansa ye kwitho ko itwa koromone yanjiritie wa kweta gwikuyura ansa ye we sibitari ita wa Meru level 5 iratwikire referral hospital
igatuika
kuri thoko ya gwikuyura ndi wakwa yimiru undu witwa Kianjagi itakwikurikia ndi wakwa ansa ye President Ruto naringite gipindi giake hari akinyite go akinyite about halfway aina something else to do ansa ye tombe tutigane na Meru na Tharaka-Nithi soke nationally kuri antu ba Kenya barabara sibitari muntu athia na Meru atuga ya 200,000 sai murira 150,000 ansa ye kuri muntu wa Kenya wa yuandi mitwa itheka na ngina akua bathi na hara bethera mbiu cia sibitari kuri ngiri 10 ciukirwa isa ansa ye antu ba Kenya under the Kenya Kwanza government iba atire we experience thina ya kuthio yetera passport mwanka ansa ye antu ba Kenya alitwa iba thia cukuru bakathoma na bakenya na igerio bika makwa na bakewa certificate ansa ye
igeri bitwere ko
antu ba Kenya iba thia yaga nyamunge course ya ibada ya juka too much eroni asiri muntu aya are tachera wanga wekirwe ngiri ya kudubulis kibande the president says no this is too much ikaendamia ansa ye now I agree with you and people who think like you.
No, it's a question. Wanachenga.
Just a second.
No, I must make this clear.
Wanachenga. President Ruto a promisire arudire.
Lazima tusikizane sasa.
Ruto arudire atakuri kurudha enderete.
Tusikizane.
President Ruto akurudha habu menderete. Kwe mama legitie na kumama kaendelea kurudha this financial year na the next financial year.
Now,
that is how government runs. Na kumama atigira president ngeke.
Okay.
That is what happens.
Bwana Ijenga ngona kwina untu watendeka bote bumwe bote itarimo ya ile. tutikuthikanira una uwe na utiumpakanya mburia a follow up question
ali wewe utampakanya ngucokere kile for your information uri mburia kiuria ndajira kwa kanjira kwa kairi
ekana
ndika iranga jogia kiuria kinyarongeri wonjokagia kinya irelevant wo
and then
as long as ndiko break the law tie baduga
please.
tie violent
Please.
you don't have to agree with my opinion ibunge dire kairi
and then
somewhere atuthikire tena kwa agree na my opinion
let me make this clear.
proceed
Oni kiuria ndauria,
yes
I was not expressing my thoughts
yes
or my convictions kana my political affiliation.
yes
Oni ikiuria nkuria
does it matter how you interpret your questions?
no.
It
How you
doesn't
answer how you answer the question that nakuuliza, it's up to you. Lakini to attribute my question to purport ni msimamo wangu, hiyo ni makosa. Hiyo ni makosa.
Mimi na bana ndio ku understand.
Hiyo ni makosa.
Endelee wa munene.
So
yes, let's proceed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bwana Idhile.
I stand guided.
Bwana Idhile, tukwararia igie mirandi ya witi na mbere, gwiko bwana Ichenga burauga kwi mirandi wita na mbere ya kithirikari. Na mawirane yara yekirwe ya kuingwa indi ariria ri the presidency biane ringerekano yara yabati kwithira yakithika na bure county assembly ya Meru withite boge mureka yigie sibitari yetu ikwa level 6 kana bando Ichenga ri kwa level 6 ikwa level 6 kana bando kitite kwa level 6.
Thank you Bwana Kabwe. Ichenga kwa yamaingia kwa bara yamante kumethei lakini yamoinkume abantu yondonte sure of any tamak iwe wira centriment teshua chibitare level 6 level 5 ebotherwe abolishing kya abolishirwe but construction itrambiriria construction ire kauyura yakwa Bwana Ichenga ire ndekewa those airpitia those processes cha kwa level 6 but up to now level 5 na wakwa itirakwa ureburito wakwa oni imbure kintu kimwe nani Bwana Kabwe na Ichenga ingwe nangwa tabwega oni ndawirwo muno twina mwana twa deputy president na inkwenda muno na kindike imbwerere kindike muchorogwa but then disclaimer is batwe tukaendelea kuuga rekure ya tukurombwa kura chirombo na regions na inkwenda kwira mbozi okindike ko discredit I am discredit on the basis ya influence yake na araumite tebura is symbol of national unity utoka ile uburu manda kwanga wekindiki ndautumire Nyanza uraita ndautumire hiyo ni story nyingine itakuwa hapo na tobwete na bio tumakindiki and discuss muno no there's a lot is happening manda mangia kuendelea uti community tikwenda kuna nkro DP utiwete kwenda so ibonto nkugatire and atiane west kwa to Bwana Kabwe tote even a single kilometer tamak
na kijai market ikuthira Bwana
Kijai market ndakulukirito ndi I think ndi second floor bando noe wakwa ni kuendelea
so itathira
akoromone market itaambiriria itwari manto Ruto na ure manto ndo orange bando na intobi either decision ya president prabi kodhipwa development pora ikwea president aina powers chagua anaikudhipwe na ibonto nkugatire there is a presidency president nata the NDP political career no ndoni rankwari ndare mathwani araia Bwana Ichenga iraie kari unkua iraie kari unkua MP no wende bakathia muchamanio antu bakawa two term but that's not the ground na oni kinya one term tankumienda no kinya last time antu baba kulalamika baragure one term no barugire Uhuru Kenyatta
Sorry, I missed that point.
riu atiri kinya one term te ankomenda ati now interest yako era ndi no thai mumiro one bira a promise itwe. That's what I'm asking. No ndo bambi kinya tu weta one term as a community. No manga tukarende torene twitaitite ata one term. No ndo bai ato baba one term bo barugire Uhuru Kenyatta baita ke William Ruto aturatira William Ruto thai bakwaruka William Ruto au do ino bakawita nangi na kututita naona guguthuke. So kinye tukaiti now no manga twakarande tuijure twitaitite ate. But my concern in development ira to promise itwe no ntombi beto are karen con DP budget this financial year tare kuthithwa beto are karen nanya I think nanya state house returare ko budget tare kwambia implementation. Now itubulite kuona launching of the project ira twerairwa na tambia kono mi untina then antobeto ba choka. Personally, I appreciate the government. Non to ni tukale na go in development. To kinya siasa na ara tukaibanga. Badiro mara gora ngoromba na amero bakaoka no na chiara bili kana kiara kimo. Itu etira tu inambi tukaila tu development oriented tukaila ibyo ngo tukwenda na imbi tu inabyo. So onere unkwari ndi ariyenkendo te DP. Na DP kendo na influence. No tunda kwera president ile amutumite akathika. Ade mutalira mura wangu tumite wathikita maita 90 ukara kwathika 10 wende no qualify kwa DP. Hiyo story hapana. DP kiendo na bange ba musanjesira na bwito with na political party. Na nya onda mo encourage. You should have a political party. Yeke na president na ina nyam blessings cha president. President amwetikiria. With his own political party. There is no way you can lead our people as an individual or influence our region. You can only influence our region through a political party.
Bwana Ichenga were you ni parochial politics.
No. Ondie muyori na yori. Tenja kwa baraila. Tino ondie muyori. Na ondie itero amaginya candidate baile. Etero amaginya candidate baile kutweka. I mean nara Raila aukira ke mtu njara. Anto bonda wakati ataundi nara itirite. Chama. So kinya na Mount Kenya. Kenda kendeka felt influence yake na mbona bweto kwa dhaina nya political party. I command, I influence. Kwa to ekende ba to fight rambi. Ato fight la ticket yake amaga DP. No, this is our senior most from the region. Na secondly DP akireta irantu bointo te lazima atangaze na ikirinto whatever meru kanadra kanithi kanempu, but these things should be seen anto bage witness bongo that their son na obakuthira tukona appointment cheke thirikari as many as possible na uchiku.
Sure, thank you.
Kule misrepresentation ya fact ya kama correct kidogo. Kiama kia UDM tilinjelo kiama kia UDM National Party
inage na mizizi.
Just a minute. Mimi kitu bana idili National Party mwaka wa 2007 Mombasa County ya dhurite 31 MCAs by UDM. There was not an MCA of any other party.
2007
you can check the fact.
2007 hatukuwa na mambo na MCAs.
Mwaka ya lilia ndugu baeta wa councillors.
Okay.
Aya nyamunge twaringite kura 2017 utio the two elections hira moro dinga tega gwa antu ba Kenya ena control ya 50%. Dispute ya gwa kiyo wegwa no gwe na 50+1 kana gwe na 49
nando nangiro ta influence
Ayumbe members of parliament the other day baletagira Ayumbe ari batunyana Ayumbe batatu bana. You remember when there was a tag of war over members of parliament batuka batunyana Ayumbe bagia mata PDP batunyana Ayumbe until 12 about 12 members of parliament nkara lijoka whether they belong to ODM or they belong to Kenya Kwanza na baga change ya floor. I think more than once baga change
not ODM Azimio
ende
Azimio Aigwa ODM ilikuwa Azimio na Kenya.
Tuikompea kama su national in presence za UDM. Tuikompea na kama ye committee anto nture mwaki. Nti mention nturi bona gaba ya committee. Kana tuikompea na kama kiro amaeka ona yumbe bata. Kenya, ukenda kwa regional party Kenya for example. Kiri parliamentary parties, the regional party as of today kiri parliamentary parties.
Allow me.
Waipa na ina yumbe, I think 98% bakuma.
Allow me.
Yes.
Tukwari ODM. Will DP Kideke akethira na kiama kiawe kia gisiasa moving towards 2027.
Kiuria kuwa mburia ngaicho kina njira siri. Answer ya wewe Kindiki akarutha kiama ya party kana tirutha. Ignas speaking. In opinion ya whether they should have a party or not. Wewe Kindiki akawe na party or not. Inu Kindiki ayetwa au inu noe answer yake express.
Should he? Kunga na maoni yako should he have?
Wewe party
should he have?
Wewe party nda kwira Kindiki kwa ngono umba chokia kiuria whether you form a party or not.
Ibo ntungukuri atere. Kunga na maoni yako should he have?
Party eno ngeya whether Kindiki should have a party or not. The answer is no. You cannot have a party named differently, structured differently from a party known as UDA whose deputy party leader is you. Kidura Kindiki no deputy party leader wa UDA. Party leader you William Ruto. Nani ndenda ithiri amboneri angere kano ya any political party in the world ye na leader itena deputy. Itena other technical people. In Kenya tu ye leader, deputy, secretary general, managing secretary, that's we. Kiamege ithiri ako recommend Kindiki arutha. Kendi sen engage from a ruling party. Ume kiamanige kwathana. Uye deputy party leader, ume kiamanige kukaruthe kingi, uye deputy president. Ukarutha uwe deputy president, no ande kidisuri duniani, uwe uro mbele karutha. Na ante wala suri tagwini other place.
Wana idile.
Ambong eleganto okay man to political parties. ODM grew from somewhere. And grew from Nyanza. Raila, influence Raila. Before Raila wana influence Mombasa. They wana influence Nyanza ko. So ODM ibontore changa kwa ne na councillors Mombasa otebare ko na Mount Kenya na wetu. Nonto nana kwa na another party. Anyo national. Kenya Mheshimiwa Mpuro Aburi. No, pero is a national party.
Sure.
But it take na MZ Nyanza ga na MZ Rift Valley. But it's a national party.
Sure. So
oniburan kuga bwana Kabwe DP menya bwana Gichenga kugintu kumoto titha na inkwere oni ankwenda othe DP. Kugitu kumoto titha. Tutitha atiri kandi je siasa kaicha thawa. DP aina blessings cha munene okay. Te lazima abu the political party I party leader. You can have somebody nyawe chenga no go the party leader. Agambia kuwaka kiama kiawe. No, anything happens. Ni ankwere in politics. There is no one who has grown in politics without a political party. Tell me who. Who? Nyaga chagwa ni director kubwetha kiama significance case ya Kenya. Beretha kachagwa atina ndizi pia that kwa narama Kalonzo pale. Tell me. So there is no leader, a politician, who will ever grow within a political party. Na ibonto anto inga babutha kia proxy. William Ruto ri ambere na kenda to mumenya Kenya. A former URP ayu. They member of parliament.
Yeah.
With the URP. Uru no ya TNA. They met and marched. So kintu kira kireo no mwanka DP aibange ina waiswe na apule kandi chiawe na nkwere ni siasa yuiji danila DP abo the nye ide da kandi chiawe te lazima utuwe everything kwa nikete ke munene ogunondo we are in politics te lazima utuwe everything kandi nikete ke president kwa kandi abo ita ko banga
let him finish.
Agwa
Malize point yake. I know.
Inyawa no ngwata na ntiko respond.
I know, but Agwa Malize is
not. Respond. Kangwatri DP Kindiki at this point irari. Te lazima aidre kila kitu na kwanika ke President Ruto. No the President Ruto ate kwanika kila kitu ke Kindiki. Ate kwanika kila kitu ke Kindiki. Na menya ate umure yaraba kwari na other people barao mo engage. Especially those people from Nyanza baraba ko demand nothing less than deputy president. atego ya mwira nkwirwa so kinya DP awetha kubanga kandi chawe chini ya maji akameana political party akameana nini we party linda na nini we nini kenda itarira akaumira resume kenda inya kinya engwa inya uma DP either ina political relevance
anto pinsani tadeliti Raila Odinga linda wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka linda wa DCP Gachagua na anto bonde ba upinzani ba form parties na ba form parties bachitumira chienkali cia guceria nene wa Kenya, yani ba form government. That is their ultimate primary objective. Now, Kidura Kindikino ali in the ruling party as a deputy party leader. We are Kindiki when in the after the area to Musav Ndeguru as a president. We are Kindiki Rangiran and Mono and the area Ruto would strengthen the ruling party. Utuga presence grassroots very vibrant. National level very vibrant. County level very vibrant. Regional level very vibrant. Nairobi level very vibrant. Now, just a second, sir, kindly allow me to speak. Now, Ruto as a party leader, ayana maoni. Amma kuira deputy president Kindiki na mutele ya outreach other political parties, about the alliances, about the collaborations, about the coalitions. Mbele ya election na nyuma ya election, that is fine. Ende kutie ntu deputy president au mbakuvi anjiria kwa undercut kana kurani interest myake amagite ruling any political party that is not the ruling party no opposition party to akanali na collaboration na the ruling party na still kinyali odiambara gwa bagoro Burundi based government bandu munene wa rwa eninya mwaka 07 bakaru gambi bakaru gamia president. Sure. Please, the last thing to kwa advise mwana wetu iko doganya president Ruto atiena intelligence network oko doganya president Ruto timoge mtu ana experience ya miaka 30 atauma wadhani kwa siasa kuma utuka mjumbe atauma mangayo utuka president iko doganya mtu huyu wanjira kuroda kama kaka siasa uli deputy doganya timu ya the following day akamenya so yeah. my in fact my absolute advice ndio mnamwamba absolute deliberate. My absolute advice to my boss, not just don't form a party, don't even think about it. Instead, strengthen the ruling party. You are the deputy party leader.
Na tugita break kenda tuthira tuicokera ngui kwa ankoria kiuria kia mwisho on
bara tuta break ri nani nkwenda my brother umure kinya kiuria kimono nto balau mbori kiuria kinya uni nonto defila nani na kwa manto political party no kindikia tepete kuthia but let me tell you nara influence ekurira tai kinya meru twina thina mumento twina thina meru katwina so many political parties kwa tuka kwina this function the other function the other function the other function kwa tukumba ku unite twina twina kama no peuke Mheshimiwa Mpuru pia nwe Peter Munya UMP Kawira twina Mbas na twina Kikingi byama byo pina origin ya Meru so rare nchoni yomba ku coordinate pamoja ile na strong political party igomba coordinate so kinyande pia atura kugeria hata ku unite Mount Kenya and Mount Kenya East it won't be possible atena political party kurala antu nkwanda omuria kiuria tiri kana omburerie kwanda omuria how will he feel nonto bwana Gichenga conversation yake that DP aborita kuria alometa loto ke ukiruto otiki aborita kubwithia beyond kana outside athwane mathwane ya political career ke ara oaisa munene na karaite munene athwane manto political career ke ndendo muri atiri agethira ina issue NDP kindige control pass NDP 2027
and as well as ogochoke kiuria kiu are you aware Kenya igwithirite korina politics of betrayal na usipojipanga unapangwa?
Thank you bwana Dili na dikiria myaki iria kiaugwa kiri to the public and the public to kwali no ndiko chokeria mkwira tiri no ntubuli kubudu mpete geria ni akuru na akuru baba ndikeriti no ntubuli kubudu ikithura kindi kurekana na kiama gikwathana kina yumbi baraba ingi ndani ya parliament kiona the biggest state funding from registered political parties kina several governors kina several senators several MCAs au mekiama ni giku gikwe deputy party leader wa kiama kina structure sidu athi zero level nyo wisdom and my answer is no wasiere ibule ko rais korotha ukenia munene ikithura kindi gikwe kana korotha kama kawamba gachiri president Ruto akaigua kindi na kwina antu Meru na kwina antu 28 chuka wakiara ya kioye atiba korotha political party ibubu rais korotha kandi githura kindi korotha mucemanio wa party stalwart see the ruling party baura niende to kinya mid term to the ruling party. How do we maneuver the next 2 years towards the end of our party as a government na to win the election? If we go both wage ndike ni go morally na politically right. My answer is if the party is towards the ruling party, bakachati the way forward is the next half the journey of the Kenya Kwanza administration. If we go boera bakuruda kwa avoid politics of betrayal, inona ni bwana kabla kuweta, which is betrayal. Ikithora kindi kyo thereria Ruto kusendeni kiama kya UDA enyo betrayal kandi ikithora kindi kwa njira kurutha kama kange achiria anza betrayal kwa njira kurutha kama kange achiriku we ndu gitawa panic attack igostoka kama katu muyo magoro kinyoka ugioko eno ni studio mutatiba tibuyo yani na athara katuga aguthuke muyo magoro okay tende no ene mugaya we mugaya njogo ya kurukira no tibo turutha ni akuruka no kuona mtu alingangando no tie munja wenu yenabu is stamping yanja yande ro adu too devastating okay agomya no mia ipindi nigitari giti
What are you trying to say?
Ina wira mutio guthukari imbu yantu thate bakari bantu aroka thwagi Kenya kwa diabu ti Kenya there are some disgruntled voices here and they will continue speaking. Kodo dunania beli reverend kindiki if want to president okay he is a person of right ambiri ai mwana senga tiampwire antu batikiraga kwiba kugithiene kwiba kuyankuri kwiba ku ambu ibunde gurwetira ata ende me abunde gurwetira kara wa na thiri itaku hivyo
irongo gora kiatere
tutarudi tutarudi
ana kumbura kika wewe ndina issue na niya tuka dropped wewe ndina issue
tukai no ndo twina kibili tokiaria mantu kiothike gisiasa now towards 2027 non to the voices inya kwe ngwe shenga god disgruntled as much as say disgruntled kwe imwe kuma kire ODM na ikwaria mantu jamarito tokethia tukishokera guku ni Meru TV mubango ni rumuri rwa siasa mbita wa Kabwe Mutharimi twatanite na mwenda Ithile MCA wa Kithi minority leader kire county assembly ya Meru na okomerera giti kia senator county ya Meru bwana Ishenga ore abisa kire OBC ya munini wa rais Professor Kithure Kindiki tugashokera nyuma ya ndeka inkayeta na mbere kwa shuri bya ku kuri mitandao kina Facebook @Meru TV Kenya, YouTube @Meru TV Kenya tukethira tukibioria na tukibierekeria kiria gini betu ntukwenarua.
Baingi batetikitie na mwankanande batetikia ni mwaka jumwe obichine munini wa rais Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki mwano mudharaka mwangatajwawe jua kumbatiria County 47 chia Kenya mirandi ya witi nambere nayo ikimuuma nyuma ahangagwe nuigitwe mururumo jua empowerment program ukaigwo taturia iji kinda gototu kunire kiara na tokobare mwaka jumwe jua DP Abraham Kindiki ubichine ni kuambiria juma eji ya ntariki mugwanja mwanka Jumapili ya ntariki
Imagine starting your teaching career here, at the foot of Mount Kenya, a place you call home. Build on a foundation of 30 years in education. Embrace your calling to inspire, guide, and build future generations. Embu Teachers College. August and September intake ongoing. Embu College. Skills to go places.
Gikundi gia St. Agnes Welfare ni bakugwata ogeni twana twatweje ne bakagimarwa kuma wanene mwanka untogima anabaha bagataro ke motorere na kinyagi Kristo kwa mbere ntariki ya 10 ya mwezi wa 11 mwaka jo ni mutaratara jure jugeta na mbere kwa gita kabyume biere chukuru ya St. Agnes Marega Mikindori mwana aribatara kujana karai sabuni tissue murengeti bedsheet karamu na yuku spirit, towel, slippers, kinyanza, na pia ijirichi ya gloves. Uchari, ukarira mwana wa kungiri tantatu wake na bakajo kukuma Mikindori mwanka chukuru ya St. Agnes Marega. Kumenya manto nkoroki turingirezi mongo kurokira namba iji 0725-977-114 kana 0791-575-600 kana 0705-518-000. Rete mwana wakuni wagakuru na njera chake nanda. Anuije no waranire no bichichia Meru TV na Dhere FM wakaiwa kole no ntobote okugweria kumakire programu ire gwetaruone. Nande no tume maoni yaku gukorokera email yetu eriani merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana toringere thimo gukorokera 0114-190-962. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Alright, mu tuitite na mbere na rwaria rwetu na rwa tukithuya utongeria wa Munini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki ari obisine A ya Munini wa Rais ndigoro ya Kenya. Tugita na mbere kuri shuribia bata tugishwa mashokio kuma Kenya orari obisine A kumutetheria na mitaratara ya uritingoge ari Munini wa Rais bwana Ishenga ni ari obisine ya DP Kithure Kindiki na turi na bwana Mwenda Idile MCA akithe na ore mutongeria kiri county assembly ya Meru agitutetheria kumurika siasa na mwekera yo siasa muno iraiko surround Munini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki ukolelwa gwita na mbere kwaranira na batwe gukirukira mitandao kinande Facebook @Meru TV Kenya na kinya kire YouTube @Meru TV Kenya ninkona shuri byaku tukethira tukibyerekeria ageni betu tukiona nite bakethira bakireact to those very important questions. Tuambiririe na bwana Ishenga karibu sana okaide na Kenya Kwanza ODM broad-based broad-based arrangement ni marito ya dhatu yaraithirite ya very popular in the last few months nyuma ya mboto ya Gen Z. Please ya kana nafasi ya Kithure Kindiki kire broad-based arrangement ni rekononto nande ODM nabo ibakuruta sauti na niba kwenda nabo kuthikirwa na bonde barayaria utone bwa Rais William Samoei Ruto.
Position ya Kithure Kindiki thirikari ile kwa thana munde ni position chiri. Position imwe ni deputy president. Position ya chiri ni deputy party leader wa the ruling party UDA na the entire Kenya Kwanza regime. Antu ubangi bakwaria bonde bare amwe na be describe no mugambo mantu bangi bonde na chole wa government. Yes.
Na kwebu ODM bawete.
ODM kana juice.
Ni gukorokera Oburu Odinga akiuga the government the ODM party it's either DP or nothing else. Na gitikira kikomerero rais kikomerero matani kira kire na monini wa rais Professor Kithure Kindiki bonto ngora kiatire a place ya Kithure Kindiki kire broad based arrangement.
Ndakwira I repeat.
Towards 2027.
Broad based government ndakwira party leader wa ruling party president Ruto. Young president. Position ya Kindiki thirikari ni deputy president. Na deputy party leader wa the ruling party. And who wangebonde if friends from government. I repeat. Ibundo gogu na ntiko amend that statement.
Sure.
Makanendo kwa ukenda kumbule kiuria kingi supplementary. Ikunda chokio.
Indi ngeregeria kiurio kiu kiri bwana Mwenda Ithile. Kenda migwe nyawe maoni yaku bwana Ithile. ODM bari kiri ngwataniro otabura ishenga ambikia kwithira gikira muuri na UDA nayo iritwa broad based arrangement na nibo chamania na kuri na jara bakwenda na niachore bathirikari indi thirikari igachwa atamu ingi kuma kiria Kenya na ibakwenda achore na achore ba nabo bauritie bebera nande tukiutha kiuthiki kwina bira tukwenda tuti yake kimumu tuina numbers na tuina bira tuwetie na ni bira tukwenda kire we ni gitike kina munini wa rais Kindiki gitike munini wa rais.
Thank you bwana Kabwe. Bara buruantu baba ke yari bare yaba tanete tuimbi pate ODM pate pakia Oburu Odinga na ure wa Bakari men came broad based government mwaka 2027 na 2027 Kenya they'll either be the government or part of the government. His statement here bakwaria. So they know what they are saying. Na ngoere bana Kabwe na anto iba kumenya. President Ruto anto ara kuthithia Nyanza. Kana Uhuru yarathake Nyanza. Athathege mantama ingi Nyanza no nto kabendete Nyanza. Athege mantama ingi Nyanza nto iba ukira Raila. Bakwenda kuhuru. Kana kuyukia kura ira chia that region. Number 2 iba ukira Raila no nto Raila was very powerful in this country. Raila power eka influence eke are equivalent to a sitting president. So antawaba butheke maendeleo no nto iba umukira. Na buntu nkwenda kuga kinyathai. Those people, the reason why ukona by strengthen party kuma Raila akwire utiki ntu kingi bakuthithia ni ODM imbi tuma bathithio antu bara bakumeasiri ikuriire influence ire Raila etikathukane yathukana gutwike kuthira na baemerie through a political party kote wichuria why Oburu Odinga was just a mere senator. Today he has stand to be influential. Ndio na inya igira nkobi erere garo mutono ina. Na yawe igira. Ni influential na kuthikirwa na akiama ba ODM. As we talk. No tanto bari ba kwenda the unity kana the center ya supporters ba ODM. Kenda baomba kwethia ba ina bargaining power. And these people antoba nguko bana gichenga akiwa that the deputy president no deputy party leader. But the coalition ne didu ate and deputy party leader coalition. Coalition ne didu president I lead coalition. Kindiki will not be the deputy coalition, deputy leader. Deputy leader will be somebody else from either that ODM or something else. No to lazima. You ndiye ite the ruling party ringi. You do not be a ruling party. Na boto akararane puru. You ndiye Eredire atonya nene na gintu gigi ne raula nau yabura tiene na URP biathirire turi Jubilee. So the same case UDA kaura na bietonyana na UDA na ODM thai turiona unonete mbicha majority leader Kimani Ichung'wah na majority leader Aaron Cheruiyot baikirite ngobia jandikate chandiki ODM. Deputy President the other day na Aromambe kenine na bare na ODM ko yori origin ya yoriko. So your statement ikonia the coalition ni yite ya ODM na UDA na uburu uweke ya buru twende twirende. So yari ndendo kuyo umbi the party the deputy no gedore kende no the deputy nya coalition tai yes no deputy wa UDA but ateme ago the deputy coalition. So the best thing it andemeti na ndipi anje kuibanga
enu presentation ya mheshimiwa Idile eno amekiedu daino the last part of his presentation yomde kumaliwa kwa yankiri ye yomde yeto political speculation yani nakudugania kairigira unabombo karika nganya bomba kwa alien
nganya na chenga yakareka watu ito
just a moment brother nganya bomba kwa watania na nganya bomba kwa menana nganya what I am happy about Kiswahili kiwa mtu munene ukiwa wana wandege uyumba ndetu ilikurudwa na ara members ba UDM na ndo alilikualia ila wanga kauga ila nani akauga lakeno ya mpaka sisi yeta wata babu wino akauga ila oburu akauga ila ni emotional reaction ya big vacuum ya demise ya the Linda Raila Amolo Odinga who almost appeared like a demigod ende mantumara na this strategy na demand message ni ginya meri danda tu ira in fact iri party ya morning imantuma ukalika tu a reaction ya death ya the Linda. Now wajiri erango gwira map about gwira kiama kene na taundiam miano mangatu kanengera mtu kirindi yake ODM is a big party with heavy presence ndene ya organs ya leadership ya ndi kiama kene na takira what am I about kabisa iko tuweka kiama kene na takiri munene wao oyo padri na interim kana gavana wao wanga sitting na Aromambe ibagugira bakaguga bwende they are no longer interested in the presidency kwa wende ma diretira ya mbere ya opposition ya kiama kita ODM linda wao na members baba council executive members bakiwa mangabana taba orengo akaruga makendozi mtu akiama kingi wanga kaua ubudu akaua I'm happy that kiama gikule a very strong opponent wa government gigo sitting ground ya presidency. That one I'm happy about. Second, muntu akiara ya wenka aonekana akimiki a lot of sense until mtungi yako akaanjilia kwalia akiminterrogate. Ende babu nantu baragira mantu. Sisi hakuna kitu tumeongea, Kindiki ayaongea hiyo, Ruto ayaongea hiyo. Ni hao wamesema wanataka deputy president. Wana continue ira wa raio kwa kana so logical until examination happens. And that is biblical. Eni kubwira ndoliro aliarwa kwa nau na kubwira ile reaction ni emotional reaction ya demise ya muneno wao. Itokuthi dongere action.
A follow up question.
Itokuthi dongere policy just one sentence. Itokuthi dongere political action. Dirikari je bange. Na kule ntogwe fia kwenda kuthiria.
No, before kuthiria fia come with a follow up question. Kire mambura ya mashujaa yare Kitui. Na yare Kitui Rais William Ruto wengwa no wire na batwe tutikwenda kiama kia ODM kiaraganwa kwenda turutanire ngugi na kiama kia ODM.
Yes, you seen that.
Alisema yeye mwenyewe atafanya kazi na ODM. Ibontu kuatere. Rob Odinga akuga nande inya batoto tayari.
There is no day.
No, please, inya batoto tayari kurutania ngugi na we Rais William Samoei Ruto beyond 2027 lakini only if tukadira tukithanwa gitege kida DP kidike.
Kule ndio kita wa passion. inkomeona leo kwa lingwa na passion the only thing I cannot do is to explain it and inkwere ngocokere kyoria kwisiri ngokwira atiri utientu competitors utientu kubeka na gerenya ya utema umwe a lose competition utientu president Ruto aipate linda wa UNDA bena deputy president Kithure Kindiki utientu badete go strengthen any party ure we wiper ure ODM ure we any other party utientu badete go strengthen that party mwangedu ke direct ko baruta eteni utu kana baruta eteni baruta from state house bachiri political statement chijaga guided by happenings now with the future in mind and guided by history. President kuga karutanira wira na undi amesa ngundi ngino national linda na no ku united na ingwirigira president yakagwana kwenda kurutanira wira na Kalonzo na ingwirigira president yakagwana kwenda kurutanira wira na any other party to choka agire deputy president ko ria but we body gene na the political calendar ya Kenya Yanga. The most difficult decision that an incumbent president can make 2 months election days, he go change a deputy sitting. Yani bokwadana nwe, bokwadana wo president, oyini deputy waku. Endi bodi dojo ge maratazi nominations. Ojo ge maratazi nominations mamtungi. Wanaginyada atu ka the negotiation table. When the government shall go to the negotiation table with the other parties, kulu alliances kanambi. Kuli rasi tawanongo. Bakero ende biho buri boko na minister of finance yangambi boko anga prime secretary yangambi isasa waende to tubu nankera interior nonto enu he had to be ya security and the group na enu responsibility na president ende to tubu nankera deputy president nonto buiko yitanyombe ko kumera gania. In fact the last fear in the minds of people who support Ruto na Kenya Kwanza government either president ugania kuli mtungi akaya atu ikarani meet baba ngiba kaya and I am like them nani is a Honda established politician mtuta Oburu akaleta parliament mianga 35 sometimes elected other times not but yeah parliament we mtu mianga nu ya 35 year experience ni enough common area bageni high so that you may achieve that bageni kana straight lower luckily that year bageni as high as the presidency by Mbageni as high as the deputy presidency. What that means is they are so willing, so available to land somewhere slightly less than the deputy presidency. They are highest in Baguita Teva Batagete, no 40% presence ya serikali nieno. Neo kalingana na bakareta chikulika riata. Finally, couldn't do it toka rikaga, Germany, Undiam, Bubun Tunenkere, less than 6 months from now. Factions, faction ya Babu. Faction ya Orengo akawibadhi na Kalonzo. Faction ya Babu akawibadhi na Matiang'i. Faction ya Wanga akawibadhi na Ruto. Faction ya Mbandi akawibadhi na Ichenga. Ari goya wegintu gitawa Tower Babylon. Igenge gumaga undi mu. Bwambe buche die mantuma bucherie gintu amoni udoti ubumage. Na relu but that time the government the ruling party will be riding high. Bagego enjoy so much advantage na to position ni ya Babel. Ili itakuwa manjia wendi. Yeah.
Sure bwana idile kwebu bwana Ishengawa indi nkenda to mureka the happenings ira chedirite ire ke Mount Kenya. Truth be told at the votes ya Mount Kenya ni very important kire mantu yeye presidential seat in 2027 na Kithure Kindiki otaburea bwana Ishengawa it's difficult kwithira ogichinchania deputy wikira ungi but anything happens in politics nonto it is difficult to put a impeachment ya Munini Rais but it happened that be as it may anything can happen in politics ende kiregira nkurakia bwana Idile Mount Kenya kuri na nande baraba okirete bari sauti iri kwendeka gigi kwa iri sauti na sio nene kiri Mount Kenya kwina Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kwina a comeback kokaraka ikoonekana kiri siasa na kigwata njara Matiang'i kuri na the impeached DP Rigathi Gachagua inyawe ni a force kiri siasa karata ka Mount Kenya na kuri na DP Kithure Kindiki. Kindiki akaithira akitopo those two voices and others kiri siasa cia Mount Kenya kenda nwe aithira arina bargaining kiri kiothe kia 2027.
Thank you Bwana Kabwe. Mbara bro wanachenga kwa speculations inkwarakia. Anyechi awe speculations. Tinda actually speculations. Nonto ichenga tu Ruto. Mtoro kumea bangete mante ya TP okay Ruto. Ruto nwa kumea na ate aita. Kindiki ate kumenya. Nonto kurwirete Kindiki. Ruto kurwirete. Nonga none tikia as the president second term. So manto ya force Mount Kenya Kindiki na challenge muno. Basket ya kabira omba wiki ke president. Na bibi onto igurenda ugatire. Batwe I mean Kindiki atoko kwa wa chance egwethira deputy president. Tamwira twaita ke siasa. President ate ile bora Kindiki athiki bwana. Ate ile uburu. Ara ile mbi Kindiki andatara kuma na ara Mount Kenya. Koko tu Kindiki utebi andatara kuma Mount Kenya. Then no mbondatara. Anjogi oro mbondata. Ebo ngwirenda kwira atiri. Ngwikwa nani gichenga dispute ino na kumbashi issues akiwa anto bara morning bare. Ote morning bare anto bara kwibanga paringin na ba state the authority irerare na Raila. Naba wenshu abai neta betuka. Nondo iba kumenya the moment bagara kuthithia ora support base ya Raila ekura. Na naba kwa rio sukumithia mutono ina. Baichomete ko unite kureta ODM amwe kena mutono ina tha ina se amba kuthithia bora Raila athekio bambakinira. Nonto Oburu will not be the deputy president. Kia than ODM wekero erite babwithia coalition na UDA but he won't. So kaba kwenda Oburu a unite antu bara kutikaure. So kwa ile Mount Kenya tu kwena 3 forces ili obro chitala. Kwena force NDP Kindiki, kwena force Gachagua na kwena force Uhuru Kenyatta. There are 3 forces. And most likely these 2 forces Chamoiko, Uhuru Kenyatta na Gachagua no join. No the chionde chinake united opposition. Kwa tuika force ile tuome na DP Kindiki. Na ibonto DP Kindiki nwe. No do hivi eitara kinyera siasa. No mwanka tuika somebody. Na ibonto okay kwa ilia in most cases. Kinya president agenda kwa mtu etike CS. Na eraba marombe ete ukarisaini. Nana bangito kwa but na kwa ndorombe ete uresign kenda woko tuika kwena influence wenyo in that particular area kana kwena effort yokole kenda influence that area ero kurombe ete. So we want to yoko to atiri kinyandi pia wane form a political party a form ena blessings chembosi okay kenda ombo mutende ke madhabu siasa yikubanga kutike siasa. Kote ka political party randi pia a form. Now maybe if he convinces other leaders, whatever in junior, they form a coalition from the region. Your honorable. So that they will be able to influence this region. Another thing, previous to the NDP, no being quite a Wanakabwe development in his backyard. She had to man to have a mudiata. Pawa Kindiki to Mukaria. Now the Leona Jumbe, Parua Kindiki. Pawa Kindiki, called the Gaba Okiroida Yera Tongoreti. Non to TV was show na Kindiki. So Kindiki, Aburita Guera go fight na of course Guera Munene Okondo, Tira Bacaro, and Yavaro Tira Hanenkero. munene ga mwailia project ile chimbaki andeke chonte ika implemented to completion. Che implemented from there and ba Meru bakati hata kindikio ndo kindiki nwa gomba baire into githirikari ba muthiata na riwe ndi tugetha tukiringaganwa nya oni ngo bana jenga ondingaganwa ku
kuri re kabwi
ketheta
kuri history ere aga mbenda mweshimwe tharie na ndu baba tuthikirite mbenda kubadirikania ibaiye kubadirikania tu itaranda ritu ringakura na kana examples antu bara bari iteni ayumbe members of parliament MCAs governors senators bonde those positions different levels all the time 70 to 80% nishindawa na dirikari na opposition na antu bara established politicians bonde be you MCAs ba Meru ndu ba for the elected then odi wandike buku data ligijem ndu wether election dingwe MCAs for the 5 ba Meru 40 ba chindo burungu adede baisa wengi 5 kana less lera bana ni tukanjiria pioneer county government ngaba bale huko bakwanjiria kwa munya alinganywa ndi ikiraito prawa alinganywa ndi muthomi njoki wangi wedwa alinganywa ndi kendero alinganywa ndi ndathi alinganywa ndi in fact isioro nguyo alinganywa ndi kumesha kuna Nairobi utinga bana tiwanjire no no abuko dieto katika wanende kia tamande ta point yenu no atukuduke maoni political ma future na ingi siasa ilika ya nyuma ya yani election ya 2027 maoni mamu no atukuduke mandu baba inge mono ende tima sitting MCAs na MPs na senators na governors the reason all the time 80% bisindawa no abuko kaleka kinya this election 80% will be wiped out ende me bare aria na bayo kinya babongwa the incumbent bayo ende power ya ntubara nende ogu power ya kwindi withire thaino igu influence legislation Meru County Assembly ma Kathuri we influence legislation lakini no deputy speaker senate ajumbe bakirima baga influence power italivu ende post yani between election bacho gema ratasi all the time 80% ni nuka tuyambe yereke point ya jiri nkwire na atende kumba kwa ukali when is Uhuru Kenyatta stronger? Is it now? I form a president. I support Amatiang. Iramba kunanga Amatiang. So many people. Kana irali president. Munene wa KDF. Amiri jeshi mkuu. They are supported Raila Odinga. One is, in my opinion, Uhuru is weaker now. He is weaker now politically than he was there supported Raila Odinga. Ntibu where some political outcome, ibuye, you know what happened, you know who won, you know who lost. Now, muntu na manya space yake bwana Kabwe na muthikiri oro kumbona bwira tiri. Strategy ya Githurwa Kindiki. Kuma thungire active political life. Atuika rindo majority, atuika deputy speaker, atuika minister of interior, atuika deputy president. Gutiero ya atuika lost. Akiri ni Githurwa Kindiki that inya yake tire njono politics inya yake politics you know the space amiye mono amiye mono so anto bagire bakali regionally na Kindiki yake bakali regionally ende priority yake kuwe baka nationally kujugeke kona chiende chake nyano bo urwale no bwenda tuika deputy president bako Githurwa Kindiki majority ka uwo and we have almost established that dominance ya national level. Kindiki is first among equals in the national community of potential running mates. Finally, what is it that could be happening in President Ruto's mind? Ewa aina running mate Canada deputies barato within one parliamentary term. Ndiko anatakwibu. Finally, how do you sack someone who has not completely offended you? Best principal assistant, working nationally, solving the problem of regional parochialism, giving you peace of mind. Atema ukanoka. Ayo tera area kabisa assistance uko na kabisa no assistance mwanga wengo kwa now you are the president. So how would that finally be rewarded with dropping him from the position? Ndagwira nto baba gayo se yitya collaboration. Bakayo itibya binge beyond but they want deputy. They may get in other but they want deputy. Because that's how the arrangement is.
Kwe bwana Shenga kure critics bagita na mbere kuga leadership style ya Kithure Kindiki ni mwathiki na kuthikira rais muno. Is too quiet for political struggles ya national, like in the national political arena is too quiet, too timid. Kwithira aikirana na baraba kaithira barekire UDM ekithira ba Edwin Sifuna, ba Gladys Wanga, ba Millie Odhiambo barana bo they know power is not given, it is taken.
Ndio kwanza mwango ndio anitendi sababu ndi ubaera isenga bera, may God bless them, to God be the glory because they were born. The end when Kindiki is about to succeed ibukwara gogo Kindiki nani yakura muwira butwa gachagwa yakura muwira butwa otie butwa wako rendi lero ndiga odito duka deputy kutagwa ari anga muchaja wezo duka deputy ari anga inwa when everybody thinks Kindiki is vulnerable, that is when Kindiki achieves. Bako bingana na kira ito agai bagenda utweka leaders ba majority babairi kira ito meta mero ina yumbe kenda kidore meta daraka ina muyumbi umwe kyanda mana adiga mtu ako meta ba runduni ka meta teri ni ati ona ete ajigariro majority to adintiria wau impeachment yaya muntu atamande naririkana mbere mtu yadwikara ni mezi naruto send this publicly na ndwakanya na members of parliament dirikana mbere gachagwa adwikara ni mezi good will ya public na leaders yari ya Kithure Kindiki kura charingawa gachagwa bata 5 Kithure ka bata 60 igadi wagaire gachagwa 3 Kithure 45 no kweli kabwe did that happen here in Kenya kana tuko dirikana hubu ngo kuria no dirikene bagemani junga bae to bathi baru therai to conclave ya kuthura mtu potential animate Kimani na uite gachagwa na uite Ruto na uite people have said gachagwa bata 5 Kithure Kindiki 50 idatu inya ngo kuria kana kudirikana ndingo kwira even that time ngo kwira even that time
Kashara ko sis
ngo kwira dirikana ngo kwira even that time people thought Kindiki was the weakest. I repeat ngaina teria ndo endelea kuthugania Kindiki ipush over ngaina teria endelea kuthugania vulnerable they will be surprised ibagandika isuri yabu batwikira shocked
bwana ivile leadership style ya Kindiki quiet, very obedient na timu to wankirano hii sidara ikionekana in the national political arena akethira akitetheka the onslaught ya political struggle ira ikethira shiegu kirikio thike 2027
bana kabwe barabru amere my brother candidate influence Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta right now no then influence ngolokere ari nyete ne kwira antu ba mutikira ondo kifote loss of power mo you absence create power ram taurire especially right now to come Mount Kenya breakari Mount Kenya ne otokete against the government, especially Kikuyu land. Na anto ba ibakurikana ko president yabairire na arete beta that in direction Uhuru Kenyatta. So rene weta okona mando mndu agorenda gwirire nduraga ogoro nturingi nore omukararia wa mutikira. So bondo ntukwenda banda rate influence Uhuru Kenyatta ki Mount Kenya. Na ogenda ochinda boya ne banda rate your opponent kenda wita boya. Number 2, my brother Kindiki control poa takwende ko muno ibonto obire byatumire theory byatumire Kindiki are akoyo Gachagua yokwa. Gachagua was a first time was a one-time member of parliament. Gachagua served only Remwaki as a member of Mathira constituency, a member of parliament. Lakini Gachagua yokwa. Kindiki a proposal members of parliament to go because he was an experienced politician compared na Gachagua. But finally, president yata kuyukia Gachagua. What are those factors? Factors. Kuna factors jari into consideration. Kada president yara kuyukia Kindiki na Kindiki ya mchoroke. So, siasa hilo okuwera bwana Kabwe chia 2027 Kindiki kwethira cool. Kindiki is very hardworking, yes. Kindiki is very cool, yes. But now let me tell you, whenever you like a politician, it is how much he can influence. Politics is about to betrayal. Every day, politics is about to betrayal. Imburenda wera orojo etika president Kindiki William Ruto. Nega dago mtu na thina cho sofu. Cheki siasa. Kinyate uni orang kwenda kwa etika senator. Kana mzuro wenda wari elected ni ana wefa. Mdoro na kibarua dhaya zuitoku president William Ruto. Kia kwa ya another time. So, arama mtu yomba muudhirira. Yomba witira. Na hivyo ndo ndapoira na mtoro ndikirete TV nena ndikira boya. Anto baraba nyansa. What they are saying, they mean it. Na bro kona bakudhurania anto ba a political party kaba wekira Ruto mubukone na Ruto box. That owe to in a numbers. Nore ako hindi into our instructions kana into our wishes. Then we join the united opposition to get numbers here to now. So that's what they are doing. Ote menya kumakia, ote menya ku negotiate. Ote na bira we na bio. You cannot. Na wewe mberenda ndawa mando yake thiki kwa kinde kwa thikira William Ruto. Yo yate oburu madhabu ya italo ya 2027. Madhabu ya italo ya 2027 ne what do you have from Mbakiand? Ibiwe na bie kamethenia. Onge ekamethenia. Onge ekamethenia. To combine Kabwe na Mwenda. Itochinda. Are. Ata combine Chenga na Mwenda. Twachinda. Twite owe Kabwe twawekira thirikari ne. Tuka twine Chenga owe twawekira thirikari ne toriga kwa thirikari. Ibwe thabure kari ngogu. Na twakara ne buru.
Ende agu bwana Kabwe. Kule ntukwenda kuera bwana MC Idile. Yenu statement of fact. Uhuru Kenyatta a president. Ena state machinery. Ena cabinet. Eto magira state fund. Agika kare na ndege maguta state. Utie rogo mbega wiro ali nenyo kuruka ende ali tajire president. Yenu statement of fact. Second. Kuire. Tukenda kuruka political collaboration. Yene nyamo na utethia itedia Ruto ko win. Itedia Ruto ko win second term. Kenda Ruto age inyenu. Aiko nili kwamba usacrifice Kindiki kenda inyenu. Nili kuongera Kindiki andobani. Atiko nili ku reduce team. Nili ku expand team. So, no yo mtu wa president and deputy competent nebu. In the next challenge era Ruto nyayo usolve. Tell the deputy. Ni akuongera antu barabaka ya kumusupport na deputy wake but we need the election ya 2027. That is the direction politics will take. Kuirona ni akumbuliria kiuria Idile. Kuira akumbuliria kiuria na mucokeria ngwenda kuuria Idile kiuria. Through you bwana Kabwe. Ndenda kuuria mheshimiwa Idile. I been introduced na chokera statement about 6 times. Awa imosoro Kindiki. He said that about 6 times. Imosoro Kindiki. Imosoro Kindiki kumagwa ya kuona everything difficult for Kindiki. Akona political style yake ikiora, akona kitunywa Kindiki and deputy president, akona political influence yake kindiminish, akona say yake mtu Kenya kichoka almost to zero, akona gitegwa giteni na ntuba UDM. Kwenda akuria what kind of a friend is he Kindiki?
Mr. Welder, what kind of a friend are you?
Wale ona manje ni friend. Wewe Chenga no kona yara laptop.
Laptop ira.
No kona tu. Ende oni bon kona. Bon kona. Inkora nangai kwa iko aru. Nankona. Na bila oni nkuwa. Menya ona manje ni friend. na kankweria na gichenga wote ofisine matama ingine off camera watanto to inkobwera bwario okay ara ande jabana odigere ntato inkua kinyokiri oni burana gwira ndagwera muntu ne antu bawe my brother muntu ne antu bawe na jeshe kwika gwithira this hour okengwa bate so kid kwenda ntekwenda kindi kiengwa naoni kante kwenda turongoya kindi tu na support miru mwane tu na nkimenya amiru bura bakua amiru baro into biba promise to ibiye kenda ba meo bu mwana wa thikari no batoro to thikari ende amiru wa mwane tu biuto turo promise na turetere bio na ibo ndo kwenda kuwa oni into bibi hapa na gichenga oni ntikirene mbondi na ntikirene thi eda ne muzali no mbere mwane tu naturale meru mbiende lakini kukari iko kuuma my brother iko kuuma
wewe ndio yeta
before you
wa speaking karade
Mr. Jenga allow me non to kuri na baraba tutangatirete inya tutire to ke the comments na pia kwithira kithia kioritwe ni Mutegeri twithire to react to them sindio Gloria Murigi akawa Mwenegile our champion deputy president has brought a lot of developments to us Kindiki is ours Murithi wa following from Kerwa Florence Jeria kwa Kindiki should be careful na anjipange mapema kuzinaonekana anachezewa bwana Ichenga ajipange mapema kuzinaonekana Kindiki
hebu ndinga statement ya kwanza nilisema Kindiki ni wetu ameleta development tameshokerenya to uwa shokereno wengi you know my hotel is man come what am I going to do that manye every detail I'm asking no what are you going I'm asking you a question hii ingine ilikuwa comment anyway kwa sababu wasi mairomoro it was a comment
tu smile it was a comment ndo kwanda kende kiache
ndio nilikuwa passion na wango
ile uma ngichenga oni wote karitikiri
hata ndio
wote karitikiri ndo karitikindiki ndio gwirwa ejo bureta kugano
endi kwere
nondo muntu no eto
nkwere ndi duru kabwe
muntu no eto
anjani friend no mume te dile mc anjani friend ne ye what you can tell a friend in private na anjani friend ne ye what you can tell a friend in public na we ndugita was speaking to the gallery gatabulira ale muyumbe wanaburi that gentleman yata wage not gatabu kuidaririe parliament muturi yari speaker Justin I remember muturi akira gatabu honorable gatabu what you said does not seem like it's directed to members of parliament seated here maybe you are directing it to a different ground elsewhere na mani sa numbagu na kwalira ntu bamirwe etumagira platform ya parliament ni kwenda kuira tiri bwana kabwe na mbere muthikeria ai kwe mwanya wa ushauri mtu kwe mwanya wa kutharia mtu nguo kwe mwanya wa criticism interest ta advisory council na ntu babome na ntu bachua na ntu bathura na mantu mamu inkwenda kuwa kwe mantu wiraga a friend we by you kinyoti enda even a third party na kwe mantu wiraga muntu outside as a friend ukimu dhalilisha tende for example nkaira friend of mine atu ya have a friend eta wa mutugi nkaona mutugi arongi na karibu na ministry ya land kanena karibu utiri no ya neno ya nkamugeria na ngamwira mutugi utibungite mubuto nkamwira ujigwe ngemuteithia muno ndugu na option wewe ni lazima ko text kana guthia guhino ngamwira manya munene yuandike ndi utikirete ndi ngugana njirenge we are old enough to tell Ngire from white it what is genuine advisory council na it what is not genuine advisory council you dress as a friendly advisory council that one you can be sure all human beings know that
sure na ngumenya Mr. Idile akaithira akireact those sentiments indi nkenda kuria from you bwana Ichenga
no to kama message kuregia your friend 3
ngandile kuboma but I wanted to ask you a follow-up question the relationship between President Ruto na his DP iko namna gani now that kuna other friends baraba ithirite bagetonyera mantuja
kwe gintu iko ndigaria atiri friends ba Ruto tika bongerekire ibaga ukire he has lost one prominent friend areta wa Raila Amolo Odinga. Oh, that's why his friends. That's why even his members of parliament resigned and came to join the cabinet. In terms of relationship with president and deputy, from what I hear and see, he condio. Now that condio, I'm happy. Now I have a deputy. Now I have an assistant who knows his job. Now I am at peace with myself. To any other evidence. In the evidence, president, how comfortable he is. Na deputy president Kithure Kindiki evidence really in public domain. We will come to any other evidence na table. In the inuguga in public domain. Ruto akiwa now I have a competent deputy. Umudomu agora wira at peace na intigira kunyamara bonda nyamara mbere. That the president has said. If there is any other available information, it can be tabled. But that is what in the public domain.
Bwana Idile. Kulingana na maoni yako nande nonto ikiuthikira giucethwa tikia 2022 na chore baraba bakurwa ti barabara 2022 ni achore bange bara bakombithia rugendo rwa 2022 ngotaniro gatigate ka DP na rais the boss. Okay, kulingana na maoni yako ni tiaire?
Kulingana na maoni yako ngotaniro NDP na president is sawa. But now, kwena manto yake ya na ya kuya. Ya kuya na ya kuendelea kuya. Madhabu wa 2027 ya kuendelea kuringwa. Ya iringwa mwanga the last minute. So, kinyatha hii, tawe the president ara mwanu deputy. But there is always pressure. Chira. Kote kanto basukumete mto kote kone MP beto bonde barua no Kindiki no Ruto ibi otoma bawo abaguotheri meba kumenya baguwera para banyanza nabo no gabakora na demands tio. So relationship with DP na president as at now is our but eka antagonize madhabu na onte anko ishi DP bo Oni kwenda ntego ishi DP ebelwa kwenda twitatu. Atuko ntuko kwenda kichenga kinyawa erio atuira. Tenda atuira kathira DP na influence Meru na Tharaka Nithi. Etha na influence kire Meru. Ketha iba mu support. Meru na Tharaka Nithi. Ikenda tutikario mma. No ndoni kendo kram kuimiza. Ankuimiza solution. Ankwenda solution. Ethine nondo thinero biumbika kura DP ikwaga influence kuoncha na solution amando ya neonku in development kutwike mirand ikuyere promise itwe then kukarekete DP aina influence yake menyanku ire kintu kimwe oni ankwira ama politician na ni my brother na menye oni bichi for the re-election of Alinda Kinyatha ambecha ni play card. You must have done something. Omangodha kwe manto thithetie. Na nikatha watumira ambecha influencer anto bekera mwanu bona maendeleo yaku well and good. Lakini haki ya Mungu ukathote ibu thithetie tina maendeleo tangible. Ya kuona na anto bo appreciate. Then you are done. Inyoga ya ambecha iweta mwera. You are done. Na ibu ntoni nkwari factory irio in the ground.
Idhato Phineas Tosh arua niko live from Akidewad. Ruto akijaribu kuangusha Kindiki aanze kukuja virago. Salimia mheshimiwa wetu Akidhe tuko ndani. Rams Naril arua Kindiki asiponjipanga na his own political party no need ya kutuambia mambo ya two term. MC Tesha watching live from Meru Getimbene massive. Annabel Mudhonia following from Kamateri Babu following. Alex Mutedia watching live from Kwandege. I hope hizi advices zote na maoni zitafikia Kindiki zinaweza saidia in one way or the other.
Can I comment on that briefly?
Sure.
On everything you read? Kwenda kwira agreement mu sentence nishando wa ma messages. Chechi on there, I think there are 6 or 7. Chechi on there. Ila ndikwirira wathoma. I'm talking about what you read. Inu wathoma 6 or 7. Only one was a bit critical of Kindiki. 2 were supportive. 2 were advisory. Udim by river wa Kindiki is fine. Babange by river wa Kindiki na bange. Na kuibanga is okay in politics. Kujipanga lazima ujipange, otherwise utapangwa. So ngo gwirende kiriaga. Kiri sentence ni nanga tu. 80% if friendly to Kindiki. So what is the answer? Ya kiuria kia idhile wewe Kindiki influence Meru kana tienyo nkamwira nothing got money mara. Amanya wewe influence ni no kana tienyo. Kodo ndugenda gwira akabwe bwana idhile.
Sample size ya
Elected leaders. Dalike monene. Elected leaders. But ya baka amplify into no ko mi bawe mono be audience. Ibaba ya TV. Tabediri baba ya TV. Baba the assembly. Baba kaba in the news headlines. So they speak to themselves so much, so frequently. They think they are speaking to the people. The people are thinking about other things. We are to have 120 value. And to have a they not in the Gabana. Guna?
Oga ngorie.
That way on and the sample.
Sample size ya Meru ni anto batatu.
Oh.
Meru ni anto ba.
To be fair.
The one getting in the handed percentage why no you get reflect. Lakini ukadoma these messages, see they get to a maybe and you are maybe in Yeshua. And ukadoma these sentences and messages, see they get to an elected leaders. All levels, MPs, governors, citizens, Nambi. I want a tiny friends don't want to and a personal interest. And a personal interest you to eat you can take care of. Chiarema I'll get
bana kabwende enda kuria between uona echenga. Who is rightfully, who is best placed okwaya na opinion ya Meru?
In both.
Nyawe?
Yes.
Oni andara nte gwira, lakini ya Meru no ngwire.
Thank you. And getumi we uta.
Nte karadara kanida
dintara. Getumi kiaga giro mpatara kanidi no ugo tikara no utine immediate interest. Na by virtue of what I do, I investigate Meru, the way I investigate Eldoret, Kisumu, Mombasa. As work. Kudiketi as work. Na niyo in the mtagaga for your information. In the mtagaga nkadi no the deepest part ya Meru kudwanya katinda no. Wale nantu. Na ito kwa yetu
Wanichenga.
Katika ile ngai word. It is not as bad as the Lindas one to look like.
DP, Mr. Mwenda, DP is the principal assistant wa the president. Correct. William Samoei Ruto.
Yes.
Na ikudirite kurina a lot of bills ira, for example, computer misuse and cybercrime law. Ira shidirite igikirwa kirore ni rais. Na other controversial thing ni procurement. Ira mangava na bongwa ba idirite ba kimeneria. Ikudirite kurina shuri bili to bikidia bikiorua yeigie sha mutaratara yokandie ya ogima. Ikudirite kurina shuria bikiorua ni arimu bongo ba JSS yeigie usiadhi na mutaratara jwa CBE kuringwa murashi. Petition ni dirite ikiurirua kiuria na orira arimu arungamiri kiama kiao ba dirite bakiwa kesha bawite kwambire January mosiari akaithira agitonya kiroki kiri mubuko yawe urare ya ngirifo te akare ya 53,000 kiribisi place ya Kindiki orira mantuja jonde jagwita akamata murigo yo kana kithanjuki kana shure B na bati kwithira kino mtu as much as ni all backstops with the president ni presidency ibu twirire ni na tetheria boss yoke kwithira ki make the right decisions no mtu nande burakuri mitaratara yo ndenda gweta nanga mtu mugeni Kenya ni bati kurua the assistant ningi na hotel burako bati
the worst thing we can do with ourselves is to be victims of exaggerated views belonging to an absolute minority. Tika nkwira kiongozi. Tika nkwira today. Nani kabui.
Absolute minority.
Ya nkwira kabui.
balto
Antu ba Kenya baba tutikiritie. Na bara womba kuthoma message yao already kuthoma. Enu matter recent. Back to legislation. Sheria cia kulikuwa parliament. See, we all the time see open to amendment from time to time. It is a real way in what cybercrime. After some time, 2, 3, 6 months, 1 year, all the time review can happen. And we have members of parliament. boy non tubalinga kura me ame so ande not getting it kura parliament the presidency Ruto na kile balinga kura parliament baba linga kura parliament in election members of parliament baba linga parliament just a second just a moment sir
nere kuigira kirore bakiwa
I am saying
not
ndenda kuona
the interest of the people that give me the mandate
ndenda kuona muyumbe wa Tharaka kuri kiringwa siasa iba kiraimu alingiriata ndenda kuona muyumbe wa Northiment Raimu kuri kiringwa siasa iba kiraimu alingiriata ndenda kuona kura ya Kirima kuri kiringwa siasa iba kiraimu alingiriata ora kuri nchi alingirwe icio cia twikithirio ndo buceria
indire
na wewe twikete just a second na wani twikete sheria icio ni the majority vote in parliament and vice president bao ministers members of parliament bake amagake na choreba na uragia deputy na what have you so eno sheria ciendo cia gurukire twetere in 6 months time 1 years time 2 years time from time to time tukiamendaga sheria nkwire mantu masha mbele kwa device ukagu whatever bandikithie na sha please go ahead we bandikithie it is so important so useful muntu rakurwania sha itina itomi atajwa ayambia tafadhali otherwise muntu rawunikire njara ta mwagurungito eno ikithino nara ndamuria ende kunika njara na thangire cibitari ambira bai gicenga nyamu ino bugwita sha nera ntethire nera mbikire plaster namuria tari ano ambi ari na imbia wantu bakibuthiria mbeca bwana ithirie no ntethie kwindugiria bana huo yanu akithi imbia wantu bakibuthiria makauria endi nkwina mbiru ya 1 million sha yandira only 300,000 mtu akauria ndi seno itaithia mtu nambi ndenda ukuria tiri kabwe lekana na 300,000 ukwe na thina kinya yangirie 10 tendi mwana gwenga tirito school fees ya 10,000 shillings ngakwangiri only 1,000 ndiko tethetie now please ndero bantu bakenya meabuthikiria misleading argument wewe te bandikithie na sha ndu betu we bandikithie that document is important finally ndetu ciaragua mwanka wa garataka ndiguru go come to an end ana bakenya pa ECD ibatere cukuru anje yari
ECD
anya base ECD am addressing your question ana bakenya ba primary ibatere cukuru anje yari ana bagenya ba secondary ibatere cukuru anse yari anya bagena ba national polytechnics na teachers colleges ibatere cukuru anse yari ko bantu kwena mugomo ko university so what is the component of these challenges the entire system of education system ya education na inkwirira ndo bara complain amo the best to do me are the best paid teacher in Kenya university professor noe akuwa ngiri 150 ni nkai mono no ndo Kenya America na mother because in the same country because of primary no one grade 25 where's again I got good enough era yeta wa pure grade while people are supposed to be paid properly and it bora ye what is the economic situation and who is the worst paid university lecturer no worst paid kiringirie komisa mwalimu anazari any story for another day so where are we headed as a country we are headed in this direction every day tukaya conflict to harmonize to solve tukaya every day tukaya issues to address to a through parliament, you didn't get through council of governors, you didn't get through individual leadership, you didn't get through parents, you didn't get through teachers, you didn't get through union leaders. Now to get the room account with it every day there's a problem to solve, but then the presidency again led by Ruto and Deputy Ndeke, they run and move it forward, properly stand. We are not in a crisis as a country.
We are not in crisis as a country. Bwana Idhile, we are not in crisis as a country. Na kirigia kwa yokari the place of principal assistant kiri yara baba inge bakone mpangaratano ya kiuchumi na mpangaratano ya mitaratara mingi ya kithirikari.
Pardon?
Kulia place ya DP. Kiri state policy. SHA, education, school fees, state funding education. Saini rati ya
as a principal assistant
saini miswandera ya sainiwe
mara burubu anaichanga Alichule kuria na achianza.
Alinda bila boguria.
Hiyo shida juu sasa
Atusikizani. Aliko gari au anza kanare.
Ende tuweza kitu utaweza na wakati ende sibitari daino.
No, that's hiyo kwa swali yangu. Swali yangu ilikuwa the place of a principal assistant in
it is the place of the presidency and the Kenya Kwanza government.
So bana Kabwe whatever kile kionde kikorea William Ruto kikorea Kithure Kindiki, that's a fact. Na tundi tuetikanire nyama brother na kwa this a presidency, it is one office. So blame manya kinyam before kidikayo atonyara Kindiki before atonyara ta kwende thirikari yetete boya bandu before NDP achagua katelere achagua no defending government bando aiko aikiriyo badendera achagua wita akaraya ata participate ke bagoza uyare in government ambia gona ni he was ascent Kindiki was nowhere in those problems ile cha kumba thirikari at that particular time. At the moment there NDP nakamantire meriera yonte. So whatever will happen Ruto, it happen Kindiki. Now especially those issues which are kwa mambo to happen systems you, especially share competition. I don't know why. Na non tubate ku release mbecha in time. Principals by na issues, the teachers by na issues. No eta mundu rara weta na mochamani ya chiari. Sentiment ira go ira chiari. The reason why they should give money itebui ke thirikari. Bunge chenga kwanda amanya antari akiwa anga thirikari na influence ground Kindiki na Ruto. Sentiment ira principal akwira achiari itebui che thirikari. Aibera why they should pay extra money. No gemenya mukenya omwiti an extra coin idina biu mudurake completely. So thirikari tomandu toito ninkuanga wa mandama ya karekebisho antu bate aria saindi kwa tuikende antu ko tuika competition kwete kiongeleka I mean ekenia te kiongeleka antu bakanja kona ante ne kubua then odum do ena dena na thirikari no kantu batani support thirikari. So Kindiki ena ucho nda cheruto no kaji ucho moira na no kaji na ibonto tugwa mirandi promises promises to Ruto anto meruko kinyo athigire mbisi beto bagari yare seneta awa kaburi muronge awa menya boenga Ruto owenga Kindiki. So it means orato kuona ara kwa batu no ikindiki maibondo kwa Kindiki kaburi to fight la region yake kharia monene amoretra maendeleo anto kutuika bila to kumbulemira Ruto no beto kumbulemira Kindiki tukona Kindiki to sawa other regions ikari kembulemu Ruto ado garia to sawa njo na Kindiki to kumabia autoretera ke thirikari
mugongo wa Kenya Independent kire segment mwanya bwana Kabwe o candidates mugongo takai segment imwe no bitaya antu ba Kenya barabari mama no batumira fertilizer batigita kugura fertilizer kuma ngini muwanja choka ngiri na mara matano they are very happy with the government babu as farmers antu ba Kenya barabata ana baba dadi ya sukuru nonto kwa banditry ende ba njira go sukuru na ramisi ya turano na sukuru cia kwa na ano the left antu babu as a segment of community very comfortable na Kenya Kwanza government
mero go tutekura
very comfortable na Kenya Kwanza government ende de kuira segment
bwana Ishenga
community waka segment na interest yako
no wale fertilizer 2500 lakini oto weta ya no
bwana Ishenga tukumenya DP is a national leader as much as Rais is a national leader on to presidency, lakini kiuria kira giokareo ke bata na ukishoki kiwithira ukibwithia your parting shot nonto bwa ndaika ni the key flagship projects kathetuneka Meru.
Under Kenya Kwanza government.
Yes.
Key flagship projects si antu wa Meru ititweka isolated from antu wa Kenya. Nkawe the project.
Thank you. You have answered.
You
have answered the question.
I have not.
I
have not.
You have.
I have not.
You have.
You wrote I have answered.
Please. You
interpretation ya Queen.
With your parting shot.
Parting shot ya kwa imbendele tuku address kidogo kidogo.
No.
Parting shot ya kwa natiri to isolating development regionally. Development ya Kenya we wisha ni antu wa Kenya including ba Meru. Wewe githomo ya Kenya yonde. Wewe no ulimi iba Kenya yonde. Regional development injarani cio yiri. Ali akithi MCA mutumante thinkia Meru cia national level 6 neno buhage ba kolomo ni endelete nakuwa kianja hii second floor inu all that combined na kumbira wewe ngo fertilizer wewe ngara kumbira fertilizer 25 wende riende atia ndago meweta meari ago tie wako meweta na wewe ngo meweta so those are the issues now parting shot
No bwana Madikile your parting shot.
Thank you. Bwega nontu ba boto akanya bana kabwe onika bwe nkwelero mantu ya renchono na let me become renchono oni no manka promises ira chedrete irio turatero chokenda tu support thirikari tu Meru barabara ira I promise to for long ichithithwe do range ne thithwe ne promise to barakani the bridge ne thithwe ne promise to kwa tutiane west tutelame egembe centro baria bainite korre ore barona president okabaina korre so development ni thithwe na thithwe ona ombirende na Meru bagethe barende support thirikari oteunge nkawe bana. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much bwana Ishenga and bwana Idile nantubwa kuya na tukiaridi mantu ya siasa za Kenya muno surrounding the DP Professor Kithure Kindiki. Ishusho gari ndega shetu onbito wakabwe mudharimi mubango jo ni rumuri rwa siasa. Thank you very much. Nondo wote nambere kurumirira a weni wote dheti nyombe nteto irairi negweta kathetune ka Meru na nibwoga nondo wote nambere kwa utudingatera kiri mitandao ya kina Facebook at Meru TV Kenya na Kenya kiri YouTube at Meru TV Kenya. Ita nambere kwa ranena bautwe na tugete nambere kwa engage na uwe inkwedere utuko bubwega.
Thank you.